पूरी ताकत motherfucker, सब full power, the gang motherfucker.
जब एम्बियंस मॉल में सिर्फ सब आइस स्केट के लिए जाते थे.
हाँ ओ भाई ये तो याद दिला दी. मैं कभी गया नहीं क्योंकि मैं वो बर्फ देख के बीटी हो गई थी.
हम लोग हर साल अपने
इतना मैला क्यों है बर्फ.
Now people have started, making music in Delhi and all this stuff. Underground scene में, cypher scene में लोग आ रहे हैं, लोग गन मचा रहे हैं, all that stuff. It's a good like, right? At that time it was कहीं भी, मचान, right? It was, bro.
It must be so fucking sick to see कि उस time पे all you guys that were starting together, working together, and now the forerunners of the scene.
Yeah, I mean,
on the forefront, bro. Like just.
और ऐसा है ही नहीं जो इस पॉइंट पे एक छोटे शहर से जब कुछ सीन ही नहीं था, जब वो जॉनर ही पता नहीं था लोगों को कि हिप हॉप एक्चुअली है क्या. किसी को लगता था हिप हॉप डांस है, किसी को लगता था हिप हॉप क्या रैप
ग्राफिटी या
कुछ भी मतलब वो है.
तो I'm sweating, bro. I'm sweating.
जो जीत रहा है sweating.
This is a mix of DNA. Which rappers' fans are the most delusional?
Taylor Swift.
Yes. Nice. Hot. Nice.
50s के comments आएंगे.
Rage beater.
It's a love story, baby. Just say it. No, take me somewhere we can be alone.
Hell no, bro.
50s. We got love for your motherfuckers.
We got you.
Watch this show called Crew.
What's good? How you doing, bro?
क्या हाल है भाई?
It's been a minute.
It's been a little while, bro. It's been a little while. I think we've kept them waiting for this.
So yeah, I guess so. If they have been waiting, I mean, we're glad.
For the four of you watching right now,
One of you commented. Yeah, we've been on a little bit of a Diwali break, as he said earlier.
Yeah, but I think this time we're back because we want to do a little more, get a few top tier artists for you guys this time.
So that's what's happening, and of course, this is episode 9 with Youngster. And you guys may have heard of him for the longest time from everywhere possible. And we're just approaching the itty bitty end of the season. And because our season is about 10 episodes long. And here we are, and the almost pre-grand finale of the season. And we're happy to have Youngster because we would have nobody else in the world. And I think he would like to introduce you.
Guys, as Rishi said, today's guest of the day is Mr. Youngster, someone who has been a legend of Delhi hip-hop and Desi hip-hop in general for the last 8-10 years. In the words of his own, 2009 se bhai kaam kar rahe hain. It's been a while to get over here. And he's someone that, whether you're a fan or you're just a passive listener, we're sure you heard of, we're sure you've partied to him. And we're so happy to kind of have him on board today, guys. Make some noise for Youngie.
Woo!
Yeah.
एल्बम मोड मेरी जान मेरे बाल पड़ रहे हैं, इनकी कान फट रही है. निर्भर लोग मुझ में रखे हो, मुझसे तो मेरे साथ चल रही है. मैंने पाप करे बहुत करा, लालच नहीं है. सीरियस है बिजनेस, ये नाटक नहीं है. मजाक की बात नहीं रही है. बेसिक बातें गानों में कहते हैं, क्या रहता किसी को भी याद तक नहीं है. इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ द कल्चर कब से, और रिसेंटली हम रिस्टार्ट भी करके सब डाले मैंने 10 के. आज भी कम के हूँ उतना ही रो, आज भी आगे सबके मैनिफेस्ट कर जैसे हेल जॉर्डन. बिल्ली टूट की चाहे साला जॉन से खड़ा वर्सेस हेल यूनिवर्स बिच.
Boy, happy to have you, bro.
Fun to be here, man.
Yeah.
Finally.
Thank you for making the trip, bro.
Yeah, bro.
It's a trip to Gurgaon.
It's a trek, bro. It's a trek. I make that trek every time.
Trek to some metro station ka CD and then it's a trek.
I mean, he's from Gurgaon. He likes to say he's from Delhi, so
Yeah, bro. I keep my secrets.
Oh, yeah.
I do not expose.
Don't expose him like that.
Yeah. No, but bro, it's actually very great to kind of have you on the show. I know we've still been talking for years on end, and when this whole idea between Rushil and I came for a crew, we knew that if not in the first few episodes, at some point we're gonna have to drag you on.
Yeah, we also have been conversating about it, but yeah, fun hai.
हाँ भाई, we're just looking forward. थोड़ा मस्ती करेंगे.
I love this word also, bro. Conversating. It's like we're not conversing, we're conversating.
Right.
Yeah.
क्या खेल रहे हैं आज?
क्या खेल रहे हैं?
हाँ, आप बताओ, आपको क्या खेलना है?
Brawl Hella.
हाँ, Brawl Hella. See, we don't give our guests too many options over here.
Brawl Hella. यार वैसे तो Tekken खेल सकते थे, but अभी हम 3 लोग नहीं खेल सकते Tekken.
That's the only thing. We do have Tekken, but then that's the thing, we don't get the chance to play it.
Yeah, unfortunately, the thing is, but 3 players kind of awkward for.
But Brawl is dope, bro.
Brawl is very good.
Me and says like whenever I'm at Saz's place or like even like when SM is there or
Yeah.
like Raval is there
Yeah.
या कोई भी होता है तो
Yeah.
brawl
Yeah,
क्योंकि
bro.
सब लोग खेल
Are you
सकते
gonna
हैं.
beat our ass at
Yeah,
brawl? I'm
fuck,
scared.
bro.
I mean I can. Let's see.
I can't. He's like, आज मैं आपके शो पे आया हूँ तो मैं इतना प्यार से ट्रीट करूँगा. Otherwise, I
नहीं
would-
बट वैसे तो बहुत टाइम हो गया मेरे को ऐसे इस पे खेले हुए मतलब
हाँ.
PS पे खेले हुए.
Fair,
What
fair.
do you play on? Xbox or Switch?
PC.
PC. Oh,
PC
okay,
gamer,
PC के लौंडे
PC
भाई,
gamer,
PC के
bro.
लौंडे.
बचपन से
We're
PC
beneath him,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Like,
PC.
आप Valorant
I
भी
mean,
PC भी खेलते हो?
Valorant नहीं खेलता मैं.
Oh, what do you play?
Valorant
I thought you and Seth play Valorant and all.
No, Cez plays Valorant. Cez
हाँ.
plays with Valorant with the sample shit boys like Dilly Boy
Okay,
and
ठीक है.
like
हाँ, हाँ,
My
हाँ.
Patch and all. मैं वैसे मल्टीप्लेयर गेम नहीं खेलता मैं राइवल्स खेल रहा था
Okay, ठीक है.
लास्ट अभी राइवल्स
Okay,
खेल रहा
fair.
था बट आई एम मोर इनटू लाइक स्टोरी गेम्स मैं रेड डेड 2 खेल रहा था
Okay,
Bro,
you also
Red Dead
play-
yeah I started playing Silent Hill F but yeah I mean
How is Silent Hill? Is damn difficult, huh?
it's good like if you
Yeah.
like horror games like वही है genre है
Have you played
But
Half-Life, Alex?
no
Okay.
I've played Half-Life like the first one
Okay,
the
OG.
second one Half-Life 2
Okay.
yeah, that
Nice, nice.
shit
Okay.
graphics but
Sick.
But
alright.
today we're not playing a story.
Yeah,
game.
yeah.
Forgot that when I'm
Yeah,
playing that.
the game doesn't have a story, but this
Yeah.
right here, this room
तुम्हारी
has
कहानी
Yeah,
बनाऊंगा
अभी हम अपनी
this room has a lot of stories. So
Yeah.
stay tuned to check that out.
Okay, chalo, we'll see you guys in the lobby.
लॉबी बैंचोद
पूरी
लॉबी से ही पर तो परेशान है बैंचोद इंडस्ट्री में
Oh, fuck, bro.
Bro, Youngie, how's it been, bro? You have been a little busy now. As of the
It's
shoot
on.
date, it's been, I think, just a couple of days since your last release, Mr. Hal Jordan.
Yeah.
Yeah, what was the story behind, bro? This is what he's Green Lantern, na? Hal Jordan.
Yeah,
What's the story behind the song?
कुछ नहीं ब्रो मैं नर्ड हूँ that's the story I mean it's about like वही I've been in a phase of like focusing on like what you can do and
Yeah.
whatever you can do
Yeah.
to make your like whatever you want to do
Yeah.
ठीक है मतलब बहुत टाइम से ये सब चल रहा है conversations की oh you need to make music you need to pitch you need to make music you know sell it or whatever like you know just leverage it but I was like and उसमें फिर बहुत सारी oh, what okay
What?
cool.
Which one am I? हाँ, ठीक है.
oh
Yeah.
ठीक है
Well, every guest who comes on this, within a few minutes, they're like, "Arey bhai, how can you expect me to talk?"
talk yeah
No fucking way.
I can
let's go,
talk
let's
but I'll probably then shit the match but it's cool
Good, bro. This is. Oh.
I just shat my pants, bro. ये क्या हुआ, bro? This is
तू
the
गिर गया bro
Bro, even like, this map is a bit.
that literally regular straightforward map. But yeah, sorry, you were saying.
क्या बोल रहा था मैं
About Hal Jordan. Yeah, you were saying.
Yeah, I mean वही है वो उस पॉइंट पे हूँ मैं कि मतलब बाकी ये एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स जो भी इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं कि वो गाने बनाने के बाद गाने पड़े रहते हैं और
हाँ.
हम रिलीज नहीं कर पाते हैं
Yeah.
क्योंकि ये वो जो भी
Right,
है
right.
10 चीजें हैं
Right.
बट गॉन
Do you have
बट
do you have any specific reasons to why you let songs sit in the bank for a while?
आई मीन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रीजंस कभी कभी होता है कि भाई ये गाने को अच्छे से डालना है तो हाउ टू लाइक यू नो मैक्सिमाइज द गाना बहुत अच्छा बन रखा है
Genuine.
बट वी नीड लाइक यू नो मनी टू पुट
Bro,
इट आउट प्रॉपर्ली
I feel that all the time, like of course in a different scale than yours, but a lot of times when I'm like, okay, Tika, I love this song, I think it's written well, I think it's come out well,
Yeah.
but then now to put it out, okay, now I need a marketing budget,
Yeah,
I need to shoot a
exactly,
music video for it, I need to get someone to make the cover art,
Cover
this
art,
and that.
yeah.
And I'm like, damn, bro, this process that I don't know why when I started felt so easy, now has become like, oh my
Yeah.
god, it's a whole process for every single thing that I'm trying to
I think starting.
बट वही है that's what I was getting to yeah you were saying something
No, sorry, go on. Go on.
मैं मतलब आई एम अ डिजाइन स्टूडेंट सो
Oh, sick.
ऑल दिस क्या कहते हैं यू नो वो बाप
You really pay
रे
attention to your
बाप।
shit then.
हाँ
दोनों में
मतलब
बहुत
ये
जल्दी,
सब
bro.
चीजें करना कि ओ आर्ट वर्क एंड ऑल दैट वो सब तो चलो दैट स्टेज 1 लाइक दैट इज आई वुड से प्री प्रोडक्शन
Yeah.
कि गाना बन गया आर्ट वर्क बन गया वीडियो बन गई अब क्या उसके लिए पैसे चाहिए
ठीक है, fair.
ठीक है बाकी तो जो भी चीजें हैं लेकिन तो आई वाज लाइक फक इट लेट्स डू समथिंग which is according to you know which translates my messaging of where I'm at right now where I don't give a fuck right now about
Yeah.
कि कोई label है क्या है the
Yeah.
video is self-funded the project is self-funded the project is backed by OTW and like हम लोग सब कुछ internally कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
Aditya is like sitting right outside
Yeah.
Yeah.
and like Aranyaka me Aditya we like figuring it everything out
Yeah.
तो कहीं ना कहीं Hal Jordan seemed like कि okay
Yeah, the right way to go.
the right
Yeah.
and I'm a nerd so
Yeah.
like the right character कि okay will से manifestation करता है वो, he can make anything that he want right there with the ring. So I mean that's just there.
It's the
And
manifestation
manifest
part.
करो, it's a Hal Jordan.
Yeah.
will नहीं टूटती, तो वही है, that's the messaging. So yeah, I mean that's the representation of that song.
Okay, dope, bro. I saw the music video also. Very nice, bro. You know, one thing I realized, like, so when I kind of started making music and music videos, they were like kind of like highly produced, and it was nice and cool and all that stuff, but it was not like, it didn't feel that raw and real type stuff. So if you like see my music videos from when I started to now, like the production may have changed, but I feel like now it's a lot more internal story rather than, okay, look, fancy car, fancy house and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So that like, and like even in this music video, it feels raw, it feels in your face, it feels like, you know, that's just like the kind of messaging. Do you also have that with the way that you portray yourself in music videos?
I mean, हाँ मतलब with this particular project तो मतलब ये था कि we approached it like initially था तो ये free verse. Like the conceptual angle of this entire thing is कि I was for Gully Fest, I was in Bombay and I was staying at Nikhil Swapnil's place. तो उधर ही मतलब I was like okay, वही जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि फेस्ट वगैरह की जो बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, वो गली फेस्ट से मैं आया और मैं उनके घर रुका हूँ, मैं गाना बनाना है, पहला गाना हम लोग साथ में कुछ क्रैक करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. अब तो बहुत गाने बन गए मेरे एनएस के साथ, लेकिन that was like the first idea. That was not even the first track that we made. But we ideated it there. बनाया हमने कुछ और. But then they shifted to Noida अभी like last year December time. तो उसके बाद हमने बैठ के ये गाना like I was like okay, this idea was there. I made it there बॉम्बे में during Gully Fest. तो अभी ये बनाना है जो भी है. बट तो इनिशियली इट वाज अ फ्री वर्स, लाइक द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट अ रैपर प्रोड्यूसर वो साथ में बैठ के, तो वो वाला सीन. बट देन इट वाज आल्सो कि ओके, सो बीट आ रहा है, सो बीट इज मी टेकिंग थिंग्स to the root.
So be it your next project?
No, so be it remix, the one that dropped with Raga.
Yeah.
So like Raga is like rapping.
The video also I think is
so Raga is you know known for doing remixes.
Yeah.
And I haven't dropped a remix since a long time. And that's why it's very black and white and all that. So I was like, okay, with this free verse, what can we do?
Yeah.
So it was just representing me in a fashion where it's street, it's we used, all of us have shot like videos in basements.
Auto में
basement में on that shit. उसका juxtaposition भी हमने करा है कि ऑटो में ही एक ऐसा ऑटो और एक वैसा ऑटो जो भी है. But मतलब वही again, this is probably like one of those last videos where we can do it, or like one of those videos where I can like do the street shit because it makes sense, because it's a free verse. Not necessarily आगे वाले गानों में मेरे को भी बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं like जो मैंने मूवीज में देखी हैं, जो मेरे को, और वो विजुअली अभी मतलब इसमें भी आ ही रहा है. लाइक इफ यू check it, like So Be It wala was entirely black and white. This is greens in it, that visual like you know identity. तो अब वही है, वो visual identity set कर दी है, and set करी है from the point where people are you know used to seeing me, the streets, the basements, the raw performance on screen, on camera or whatever.
To be fair, they've been seeing you like this for
like that,
a decade, bro.
But अभी at this point यहाँ से ऊपर है, तो वो set कर दिया है यहाँ पे. And then we'll next projects onward we'll take it like आगे जहाँ
for the next few projects.
Yeah. तो अब यहाँ से video visual language भी change होगी. Visual language में भी थोड़ी storytelling involve होगी, थोड़ा सा और भी चीजें involve होंगी, या जो भी है. तो yeah, I mean.
Have you seen yourself leaning towards storytelling from like performance videos over the years, over the decade?
100% bro, 100%. मतलब जितना मैंने मूवीज देखना स्टार्ट किया है, जितना मैं, एंड पिछले 3-4 साल से थोड़ा सा वो like I've started watching movies from the perspective of which director made that, instead of like you know which actor is there.
Fair.
So and when you go into that direction, वो तुमको visual language डिफरेंशिएट बहुत इजीली कर पाते हो कि ये क्यूब्रिक की मूवी है या ये रॉबर्ट एगर्स की मूवी है.
माइंडसेट चेंज हो जाता है.
विजुअल मतलब माइंडसेट की बात नहीं है ब्रो, इट्स जस्ट लाइक फ्रेम्स कैसे हैं. लाइक अ जैक स्नाइडर मूवी इज, you can see a Zack Snyder movie and you can be like, okay, this is Zack Snyder. So that's something that, or you can see like a Robert Eggers movie and be like, okay, this is made by Robert Eggers. You can see the frames and say that. सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल इसका like is Wes Anderson. You can see a Wes Anderson frame, you can be like, okay,
yeah.
you might be even confused with the movies because it's the same actors maybe.
But you know what
But you know it's Wes
yeah,
Anderson.
yeah.
So something like that is where I'm also headed, where you know, like you see a youngster video and you know that it's
It's
a
Okay,
youngster
nice.
video.
Over the years, I feel like in the
The treatment of it.
The industry visually, I think, has started leaning more towards storytelling over
Yeah,
performance shots
for
because
sure.
when it was newer, everyone like performance shots used to be good enough for people to be like, "Fuck, this is so
Yeah.
hard."
Yeah.
But now there's so much going on that I feel like you need a little more to keep people.
Yeah.
उसके पीछे रीजन ये है ना ब्रो कि रील्स पे इतनी अच्छी मतलब वो एक फ्रेम वो ब्लॉक फ्रेम करके इतने अच्छे अच्छे रील शूट होने लगे हैं
Yeah.
कि अगर तुमको डिलीवरी शॉट देना है तो फिर might as well make a reel out of it.
for
Like,
sure.
you know,
facts,
if you want, if there is no story to tell,
Yeah.
then there is no point investing
Yeah.
in a music video का budget because music videos are shit expensive.
Yeah, bro.
तो अगर आप जितने में आप एक चार जगह पे चार अलग कपड़े पहन के आप सिर्फ डिलीवरी शॉट दे रहे
Yeah.
हो,
Yeah.
उससे अच्छा आप चार रील शूट कर लो और उसको चार अलग अलग
Yeah.
टाइम पे मतलब वो कर लो.
And it's really working out for people.
And that
bro.
works out.
It's really like for reals. You've seen this guy called Semi Naked Pictures.
Yeah, I have.
Who's doing that fucking song called Tony Soprano.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've seen that.
bro,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that shit?
yeah, yeah.
That's hard as
Yeah.
fuck.
No.
But like that's all he did, bro. If you
Yeah.
go to this like his Instagram, I think for like a month or two, all he posted like every second day was just performance shots on reels of him like
Yeah.
performing that shit.
Yeah.
And the
Yeah.
video was hard, of course. But
Yeah.
yeah, that shit is really working out. It's blowing people up.
Yeah.
वो तो है ही ना,
I
वो-
think game बदल गया भाई reel का. Like before it was just get something catchy. Now it's like okay, make it look good as fuck.
Bro, you need to make it look super.
I
clean.
mean, people are leveling up any which way
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
every aspect of like media on
Right.
social media.
Right.
तो ऑफ कोर्स अगर तुम उनको बोल दोगे कि भाई ये रील पे तुम कुछ भी डाल सकते हो
Yeah.
तो कोई मतलब सबका माइंडसेट वही रहेगा ना कि हाउ टू आउटडू द नेक्स्ट वन. दैट्स हाउ यू गेट अटेंशन.
Right.
Yeah.
That's how you get
It's a
the
fucking
saves.
competition,
It's a
bro.
competition. No? Yeah, it's a competition. on देखा
But,
देखा जाए
but
तो.
like that's the thing. Everyone's like, oh, art doesn't have to be a competition. But like,
Of course it does.
low key, like,
On social media,
Yeah.
when you give oh भाई, when you give them numbers,
Yeah.
तुम
Yeah.
सबकॉन्शियसली एक वो तो क्रिएट कर ही रहे हो ना कि इसमें नंबर है, इसमें इतना नंबर है, उसमें उतना नंबर है.
हाँ.
तो
the whole concept is only
of it, yeah.
competitive thing.
Yeah.
For sure.
Once you add numbers to anything,
I mean
it becomes
competition is subconscious, मतलब वो बात की बात है, लेकिन मेट्रिक तो डाल ही रहे हो ना तुम.
competitive. हाँ, that's what. It does create a leaderboard, low key.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
No, I mean followers by itself, the follower count, views, essay, it is a fucking leaderboard.
I mean, bro, if you talk to a fucking festival, if you talk to a venue, anything at all, like that's the first.
Yeah,
thing they
that's the
look at,
first
for the
thing.
most part.
Yeah. For a brand, bro.
Yeah.
You need a brand collab. You need to show them कि
Yeah,
भाई
fine,
तुम्हारे
take
नंबर आ रहे हो. क्यों कोई ब्रांड तुमको क्यों देगा अब वो
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, bro. I mean,
हटेगा क्या वो? हाँ. हटा.
But yeah. So how was it starting out like back in 2013, 14, bro? What is there like anything major that you've seen change like fully that you feel like oh you can't even recognize the scene anymore because like उस time पे ये scene था, उस time पे ये scene है. If you were to time travel
Yeah.
from back then to now,
Yeah.
do you think you'd be like what the fuck is going on?
I mean, of course, अगर कोई मेरे
Yeah.
को ऐसा उस वक्त पॉज कर देता और मेरे को अभी चालू कर देता तो
Yeah.
I would have been like what the fuck just happened?
COVID?
ये क्या? What do you mean? What?
COVID, yeah.
हाँ. But नहीं, even after COVID, मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है कि 2023 से
Yeah.
चीजें बहुत बदल गई हैं.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
But क्योंकि that's also the year when after COVID everything started coming
really
back.
together.
Yeah.
तो वो है. But I
And
mean,
came back bigger.
वैसे 100 बात की एक बात तेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर करूं तो रुशिल की
हाँ जी।
जब हम लोग ने स्टार्ट करा था तो
I'm
आइडिया
surprised you know Rushil also, bro. Like, how the
of
fuck do you know
course.
that Rushil name, bro?
I mean,
Aditya.
Aditya.
Okay, of course. It's school time.
तो
Yeah.
या बट आई वाज थिंकिंग कि जब हमने स्टार्ट करा था
Yeah.
तो क्वालिटी वाइज एंड लाइक वी यूज्ड टू लाइक यू नो द वे वी यूज्ड टू साउंड
Yeah.
and like just conscious decisions of what music making
Right.
वो सब कहीं ना कहीं आइडिया वाज कि भाई हम जो बाहर गाने सुनते हैं
Yeah.
हमें एक पॉइंट पे आना है जहाँ पे अगर हमें बोल दिया जाए कि भाई तुम्हें कोई एक्सेस नहीं है किसी वेस्ट के गाने का
Yeah.
एक डिस्कोग्राफी का तो वी कुड लाइक वी वुड सफाइस
Yeah.
कि हमें जरूरत नहीं है हम अपने इंडियन हिप हॉप में इतने अच्छे गाने बनाते हैं और ऐसे फ्लोज और ऐसे सोनिक्स लेके आते हैं कि हमें वेस्ट के किसी आर्टिस्ट पे डिपेंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है
Right.
ऑल्दो वी ऑल आर डिराइविंग फ्रॉम
Yes.
द साउंड
Yeah.
बट बोल दो कि भाई 2 साल नहीं सुनना है तो हम कर लेंगे कुछ। तो हम आई थिंक मोटा मोटी उस पॉइंट पे आ चुके हैं कि
अपने सीन से ही हम डिराइव
कि हाँ मतलब अगर मेरे को बोलो कि भाई तुम 1 महीना 2 महीना तुम्हें कोई वेस्ट के वो नहीं सुनने हैं, क्या कहते हैं गाने।
Bro, now for sure.
We have a good amount of
Bro,
discography.
I think now Indian discography in most hip hop listeners in India is probably, if not 50-50, more leaning towards Indian hip hop than it is.
हाँ and उसका सबसे बड़ा वो ये है कि like by product ये है कि of course the moment we start making those types of music, like that level of music, that level of quality, recordings, mixing, sonics, decision making. उसमें हिंदी ऐड कर दो, वो रिलेटेबिलिटी फैक्टर बन ही जाता है। तो वो एनीवे विल मेक लाइक यू नो ऑफ कोर्स लाइक नो शेड बट से आई वुड गिव यू द एग्जांपल ऑफ रुआब बाय धनजी, मिक्सिंग मास्टरिंग वाइज, it with all due respect it might not be at par with To Pimp a Butterfly or like My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy. I'm just speaking as a fan because सबसे पहले मैं सीन का फैन हूँ, मैं सुनता हूँ, तो उस पर्सपेक्टिव से क्वालिटी उतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी, लेकिन when I listen to it I know that वो प्रोजेक्ट जहाँ बना है, जिन रूम्स में बना है, उसके हिसाब से और जिस इंसान ने बनाया है वो अपनी लाइफ में जिस पॉइंट पे था वो उस पॉइंट के ट्रू है। अगर धनजी मेरे को आई नो कितने पापड़ बेले उसने एल्बम बनाने के लिए, तो अगर उसमें मेरे को एल्बम में अगर वो सुनाई दे रहा है कि ओ कोई प्रिस्टीन माइक पे प्रिस्टीन मिक्सिंग है, तो काइंड ऑफ लाइक यू नो दैट डायल नॉट मतलब वो है ठीक है, दैट्स
इतनी रॉ फील नहीं आती,
उतनी रॉ फील नहीं आती।
Bro, I just want to, that reminds me, have you heard Bank Account by 21 Savage? Right?
Yeah.
That's the song that like blew him the fuck up, like out of the way. 21 Bank Account का कभी आप mix सुनना बैठ के,
that's what I'm saying.
गाड़ी में सुनना, you'll be like it's so muddy, bro. What the fuck is this? But that's what like pushed him like way up.
And but in my case, I'm not even talking about like the mix being muddy. I'm just saying वो sonics ऐसे है ना कि मिक्स एट द एंड मिक्सिंग भी बोलते हैं ना सब्जेक्टिव है, क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि तुमको मिक्सिंग में एट द एंड लाना क्या है, तुमको वो फैक्टर लेके आना है कि तुम जहां पे जिस पॉइंट पे जो आर्टिस्ट जो बना रहा है उसको जस्टिस करे। तो अभी की डेट में अगर तुम मेरे को बोलोगे कि ओ कैन यू लिसन टू रुआब एंड लिसन टू माय ब्यूटीफुल डार्क ट्विस्टेड फैंट और लाइक टू पिम्प अ बटरफ्लाई और व्हाटएवर, I can 100% listen to it. And अगर तुम मेरे को बोलोगे तो भाई दो बाकी वेस्ट के एल्बम्स जो बाकी दो ना वो मत सुनो, सिर्फ रुआब सुनो, मैं सिर्फ रुआब भी सुन सकता हूँ, कोई वो इतनी गांड फाड़ गाने हैं एंड आई नो कि वो वैसा साउंड इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो उस पॉइंट पे उन रिसोर्सेज के साथ जो बेस्ट पॉसिबल था वो बना है। तो कहीं ना कहीं दैट इज अ सेंस दैट वी हैव गॉटन टू लेटर ऑन, बिकॉज जब हमने स्टार्ट करा तब तो ये था ना भाई कि ओ ये ऐसा साउंड करता है, हम ऐसा साउंड क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे, क्योंकि हमारे पास माइक उतने अच्छे नहीं है या हमारा मिक्सिंग नहीं आती उस वक्त।
और तो स्टूडियो रूम्स भी क्या थे, घर पे आप कराते ना,
वो तो अभी भी करते ही है रिकॉर्ड, क्योंकि अगेन वही है कि मैं अगर अभी अपने घर में 4x4 के रूम में एक अच्छा स्टूडियो माइक लेके रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ बट उसमें इतना मेरा ट्रीटेड रूम नहीं है और मैं अभी वहीं से गाने बना रहा हूँ, तो वो सुनाई देगा ना कि मैं वहीं से गाने बना रहा हूँ।
Exactly.
ठीक है, जब मेरे पास मतलब इफ आई एम एबल टू रिकॉर्ड इन लाइक अ स्टूडियो और व्हेन आई हैव, एंड उसके भी तरीके हैं, मतलब इट नाउ हमने सबने मिक्सिंग इतनी सीख ली है, एटलीस्ट मैंने और जितने लोग भी मेरे आसपास जो मिक्स करते हैं जो भी है उतनी सीख ली है कि हमें पता है कि उसको उस लेवल तक लेके जाना कैसे है, लेकिन विदाउट लूजिंग दैट ग्रिट। मैं तो कभी कभी रूम रिवर्ब छोड़ भी देता हूँ कि चलने दो रूम रिवर्ब, थोड़ा सा तो पता चले कि मैं अपने घर पे रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, नहीं तो डिफरेंस क्या है?
I mean, there's still like because of technology now, there's still a lot of huge artists that are still recording out of their rooms. You look at Phineas and Billie Eilish.
Precisely, bro.
You look at Ralph Costelli, Mac DeMarco. All of these guys are still making shit. I got a Mac DeMarco record recently. and Salad Days ka. I don't know if you've heard.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
Beautiful fucking
Beautiful,
album.
yeah.
And you open it, and the entire sleeve on the inside is just his like home studio in his
Oh,
attic.
sick.
And you can see all of the little posters he has up and all of the little things. And these things I think people fuck with, bro. You get to see like a closer aspect
yeah,
of the
and
artist.
also a lot of it is just like वो यार मतलब मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत कुछ वेस्ट का बस वो है कि ओ वेस्ट ने कर दिया अच्छा है डिफरेंस क्या है क्या तुमने लॉजिक की वो वाली एल्बम सुनी है एक क्या कहते हैं
Bobby Tarantino.
हाँ
Bobby Tarantino.
नो दिस एल्बम जिसमें वू टैंग भी है उसमें एक गाना है वू टैंग के साथ एक गाना है
Wu-Tang Forever.
हाँ
Wu-Tang Forever.
वू टैंग फॉरएवर किसमें
Wu-Tang
है
Forever तो
हाँ वो ये वाली एल्बम यस दिस
कौन सी है?
2018 एल्बम आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द नेम दिस एल्बम इज एंटायरली
YSIV.
yes that
Young Sinatra.
Young Sinatra 4 yeah
Right, type shit.
तो वो एल्बम पूरी उसने शायद अपने क्या कहते हैं टूर बस में SM7B पे रिकॉर्ड करी है which is a dynamic
Bro,
microphone
7B पे मैंने पता ट्राई करा है vocals रिकॉर्ड करने का. I feel like it
नहीं
sounds
आते
like
ना
shit.
ब्रो
It
तू
sounds
एल्बम
like
सुन
shit.
तू एल्बम सुन वो साउंड ही है क्योंकि आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस इज बिकॉज अभी रिसेंट लाइक आई नीड टू गेट अ माइक एंड आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ आई हैव अ कंडेंसर माइक
Which might you use?
बेबी बॉटल ब्लू बेबी बॉटल
Oh, blue का. Okay.
तो या आई मीन दैट मैं भी सोच रहा था कि एक कंडेंसर माइक लेता हूँ या जो भी है बट लाइक आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ गेटिंग अ SM7B एंड ये सेम कॉन्वर्सेशन सबके साथ हो रखी है कि
बहुत
bro, उसमें
close
वो बहुत
sound
क्लोज
आती है,
साउंड
bro,
आता है
yeah.
बट तू एल्बम सुनेगा तेरे को समझ में आएगा कि भाई वो वैसा ही साउंड करता
But
है
I guess they also had like
But
god
तुम
level
सुनते हो-
engineers on it.
It doesn't matter. Engineer तो ठीक है, yeah, they have god level engineer.
Yeah.
Well,
You can
he
record
also has
anywhere. They can make it sound.
Fair
more-
enough. He
also has a-
They can make it sound pristine.
Yeah.
But then there are albums like even Alfredo 2,
Yeah.
जो Freddie Gibbs की नई वाली album है. वो probably it sounds like it has been recorded on a 7B.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like
really?
even if it is recorded on a condenser, it's processed in a way where it sounds very saturated, gritty.
And I think that's also like the East Coast sound.
Yeah.
हाँ मतलब इट्स जस्ट
Yeah.
तुम अगर अपना वही तो तुम एक क्योंकि दिस इज सम मिसकंसेप्शन दैट वी यूज्ड टू हैव अर्लियर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ कि हमें लगता था कि सब कुछ अच्छा साउंड कर रहा है मैं अच्छा नहीं साउंड कर रहा बट अब हम उस पॉइंट पे दैट्स व्हाट आई सेइंग कि वो 100 बात की एक बात हम उस पॉइंट पे हैं कि हम जिस आर्टिस्ट को जिस अपने सराउंडिंग में जैसा गाना निकालना है वो निकाल के अच्छा साउंड हम करा सकते हैं
Yeah.
अब क्योंकि इतने आर्टिस्ट हैं ब्रो लोग एमीवे भी सुन रहे हैं लोग सीधे मौत भी सुन रहे हैं लोग कृष्णा भी सुन रहे हैं लोग डिवाइन भी सुन रहे हैं सबकी मिक्सिंग अलग है
Yeah.
सबके इंजीनियर्स अलग हैं सबके मिक्सिंग ये रिकॉर्डिंग एनवायरनमेंट्स अलग हैं
Even like these two, of course, are top, but even leave them. People from every city in India now are getting hip-hop.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's kind of like quality music. It's not like वो कहीं भी
मैं
गाना-
वही तो आई वाज गेटिंग टू दैट
Sorry,
कि
yeah.
ये चार मेन जो है ना वैसा चार पांच जो तुम आई जस्ट स्पिटबॉलिंग
Yeah,
नेम्स
yeah, yeah.
बट इतने ये आर्टिस्ट हैं उस टियर के
हाँ.
जिनको तुम लुकअप करते हो
हाँ.
वो भी आपस में कहीं ना कहीं अपने जैसे भी रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं एंड देन देयर आर पीपल लाइक भद्रंकर देन देयर आर पीपल लाइक प्रथमेश देन देयर आर पीपल लाइक यू नो असीज धनजी और whoever मतलब बहुत रेवो जसकरण
Yeah, yeah.
I mean you for fuck's sake all मतलब
Jaskar.
बहुत सारे लोग हर तरह दिल्ली में भी इतने सारे लोग हैं
Yeah, yeah.
तो सियाही है बहुत लोग हैं यार मतलब मैं नाम लेता रहूंगा लेकिन
I've been seeing Suffer a lot.
हाँ,
lately
Suffer
also.
और सफर या आई मीन
fucking slate.
सबका अपना साउंड है
हाँ,
और सब कोई अब सफर कहाँ रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है सफर भी तो घर पे रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है
Yeah.
बट साउंड आ रहा निकल के और लोगों को but वही है एंड नाउ वी आर एट अ पॉइंट वेयर एनीबॉडी मेकिंग एनीथिंग
Yeah.
दे नो हाउ टू मेक देमसेल्व्स साउंड एंड दैट्स अ विन दैट्स वेयर वी आर एट
That's
राइट
true, bro.
नाउ
That's
कि
true.
भाई सब कोई अच्छा गाने बना रहा है अच्छे साउंड अपने हिसाब से बेस्ट कर रहा है जो भी है
In this kind of in this line, you know, starting from, I mean, you said you started writing in 2009, but even
Yeah.
like your involvement in the scene, I think 2013, 2014 ke kareeb you started with
Yeah.
everyone, with all these other
Yeah,
artists.
yeah.
Bro, what was it like seeing Seedhe Maut, like both Ram and Onko, and then MC Code, Frappe, Riya, Raval, Raga, from like then to now? Like it's
Also
been
seeing
a...
Youngster from that time to now.
Yeah.
वो तो मैं अपने आप को थर्ड पर्सन कैसे देखूं
Also, by the way, you were called Youngster Ash before?
yeah
Like, was that before Frappe became Frappe Ash? Like, before?
I did not know about Frappe's existence at
Okay.
that time
Yeah, okay.
That's mad.
yeah
So
मतलब
it was just a chance ka thing.
yeah like I named myself Youngster Ash and then I went on to Insignia and I was like okay there is this another dude called Frappe Ash
Oh wait, 1 second. Young Stash and Frappe Ash just happened to be
Yeah.
Ash. Right?
Yeah.
So how did you not come up with a duo name that got Ash?
We were not a duo back then. Matlab, I had, we did not have a plan and it was too nascent. Matlab, he was doing his own thing.
Yeah,
I was like doing my own thing. And वो duo वाला concept हमने जब बाद में क्या कहते हैं दिल्ली में आए तो या पूरी ताकत motherfuckers, Safulpa, the gang motherfucker.
Got it.
So I mean वही जब and वही मतलब it's just धीरे धीरे जब we became friends first and then it was कि okay now I know what you are doing with your sound and
Yeah.
sonically we are on the same page मोटा
we
मोटी
decided to
then we decided कि okay that but yeah I mean यार सबसे बड़ा सीन तो ये है कि जब मैं दिल्ली आया था गोरखपुर से
Right.
मैं आया ही इसमें क्योंकि मेरे पहले जो दो दोस्त थे इधर वो पनीनी और रागा थे बिफोर कमिंग ओनली लाइक दीज टू आर द पीपल दैट आई न्यू
We
बिफोर
met
कमिंग
Panini in Bombay.
Yeah, bro.
Oh,
I met him at
yeah.
Soho House, and I got a hold of him, and I rapped the entire Aina verse.
Aina,
I was super out of it. I was like, bro, like I went bar to bar. He's like, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
Even Panini is Delhi ka Londa, na?
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I didn't know
Oh,
that.
okay.
But in his mind, he was probably like, कौन आ गया भाई?
Sorry.
So I mean yeah I mean मैं इधर आया ही उस पे कि चलो रागा ये क्या कहते हैं evil myth था उसका नाम उस वक्त तो like
Oh,
okay
shit, okay.
रागा is there Panini is there बाकी और भी लोग थे which from the insignia group only like we'll get to it बाकी लोगों से मिल लूंगा but दो लोग already हैं but eventually मतलब वही है सीधे मौत भी मतलब formed technically like I used to live in Gurgaon back then
Okay.
and इधर ही ना सुशांत लोक में तो
Oh shit.
तो ओ वो मैं
Like OG गुड़गांव में.
Yeah,
जब
like
एम्बियंस मॉल में सिर्फ सब आइस स्केट के लिए जाते थे.
हाँ ओ भाई ये तो कोर मेमोरी याद दिला दी मैं कभी गया नहीं क्योंकि वहाँ पे मैं वो बर्फ देख के बीटी हो गई
हम लोग हर साल
थी
अपने-
इतना मैला क्यों है बर्फ
बर्थडेज के लिए सिर्फ आइस स्केट जाते थे.
yeah so I mean yeah I met like Calm at this Spit Dope gig the first Spit Dope cafe gig in Kunzum Cafe in
Okay.
Haus Khas तो उधर मिला मैं उसको and then I like kind of called a few people to my place and उस पार्टी में जो भी हुआ उसके बाद सिर्फ एक लौंडा काम ही रह गया I was like okay you can come whenever the fuck you want
Yeah.
बाकी तो मैं किसी को नहीं बुला रहा और लेकिन then in the next time in the next trip to Gurgaon he got encore to my place as well.
Nice.
And after that, like I think the next time after that we met, they told me कि okay we are forming a duo called Seedhe Maut वो जो भी है. So that is how
Naam is so sexy, bro.
yeah
Crazy,
that's
what a name
Sahil
to come
Bhaiya's thing.
Even the logo and everything like from the
Yeah,
beginning.
Kam's brother used to say Seedhe Maut like ऐसा that's a nanny thing Nainital thing.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I mean that's but it's great, man. Like seeing Raga do his thing, and you know, उस वक्त Jamna Par has been like before.
Yeah, bro, Jamna Par is fucking OG DHS.
वो before
classic,
anything,
bhai.
yeah. That's the
DHS
first.
classic.
That's the first DHS
Yeah,
classic.
yeah,
If you make,
yeah,
I would
yeah.
say that first
Fair,
DHS classic
fair,
would be Jamna Par.
fair.
मतलब
Bro,
उसके पहले
classic
कोई
बहुत-
ऐसा गाना फटा ही नहीं था.
हाँ, उससे पहले तो नहीं. That was what 2016.
व्यंजन भी बाद में आए हैं.
Bro, you know Raga. The first time I got to know about him, I used to be very into the beatbox scene. I was majorly into beatboxing, so I used to go for these beatboxing competitions in Delhi. DBC होता था, Delhi Beatbox Championship. जिसमें मैं participate करता था.
अरे भाई,
2018
भाई.
top 30 by the way, top 30. But उसमें he was one of the judges.
Raga?
Yeah, that's how I got to know about him. And the second time I really heard of him was when he dropped Rap Ka Mausam, and then of course like
Oh yeah,
goated,
yeah,
like,
yeah. वो तो एल्बम टाइम ही हो गया मतलब उस पॉइंट पे आ गया. That is रैप का मौसम is 2020.
Yeah,
This
it's a bit
Jamna Par was
later.
2016, ना?
जमना पार was 2016.
Yeah, it's a bit later.
Yeah, so वही था कि मतलब ऐसा अब रागा मेरे सामने है हम लोग मतलब वो चल रहा है जो अभी उस वक्त and you know like Seedhe Maut is formed and now they are also making their own album. I kind of around that time also reconnected with Sez because मैं वही गुड़गांव था तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा disconnected था because I was also focusing on the first couple of years to assimilate to the college life to all that shit.
हाँ, you were in
To-
college at that time, ना?
Yeah, to college
आप
life.
कहाँ गए थे college के लिए?
केआर मंगलम यूनिवर्सिटी. तो मतलब वही ये सब चीजें चल रही थी तो मैं थोड़ा सा ऑफ था. आई वाज मेकिंग म्यूजिक एट माय पेस इन माय हाउस एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट बट इट्स ग्रेट. रावल भी like they dropped Raval was a part of this
Yeah.
Delhi Cypher which
Yeah,
says
yeah,
produced
yeah,
with
yeah.
Heem
Oh,
and
the OG
Panini,
Cypher.
Panini, Raval,
yeah.
Knuckle Duster,
Yeah.
Heem,
Right.
all those.
I
तो
love that
वो सब तो फाउंडेशन है,
Yeah.
वो सब तो must. Then we also did a Delhi Cypher which says Prabdeep, me, Slick, Keepsake.
Slick Two Shades.
That's such a
Two
goated
Shades, yeah.
fucking
Yeah.
time for
Yeah.
ciphers also, bro. Have you seen?
Crazy Clip. Yeah, I mean, all of us, we also did a cypher. The second Delhi cypher.
Have you seen that Banj music cipher? Desi hip hop.
Desi hip hop, yeah,
Bro,
yeah.
shit,
The one
like,
with the one with Badshah
Oh,
and
bro,
Raftaar
I know
and
every word,
Rockstar.
every verse on
Yeah,
that
yeah.
fucking song, bro.
Yeah.
Urban the poet, like
Urban, yeah, yeah.
Humble the poet.
Urban the poet.
Urban Poet, नहीं, Urban the Poet.
Urban the poet.
But yeah,
Humble the poet. भाई वो तो goated सा है वो तो है भाई.
yeah. Mad bro, मेरे पास ना एक स्पीकर होता था
Yeah.
जो एक फैंटा कैन के शेप का था और मेरे उस टाइम पे मैं 10th मैं शायद
Yeah.
8th ग्रेड या 9th ग्रेड में था उस टाइम पे 8th ग्रेड में तो आई यूज्ड टू गो विद दैट फैंटा स्पीकर के स्कूल में स्पीकर स्नीक इन करना होता था तो वो फैंटा का कैन लगता था तो फैंटा के कैन को उसका ब्लूटूथ बटन ऑन करके और मैं पूरे मतलब एग्जाम के बाद जो देसी है पास हो रहा था मैं फुलवाली में चला के shit bro.
Well, also for you in that time, 2014, like now people have started, you know, making music in Delhi and all this stuff. Underground scene में, cypher scene में लोग आ रहे हैं, लोग गन मचा रहे हैं, all that stuff. It's a good like, मतलब, right? At that time, it was कहीं भी, you know, मचान, right? It was, bro.
Yeah.
And like, was there anyone who you saw who like you thought at that time, like whether they're relevant right now or not, anyone you saw at that time that wow, this guy, you know, has it in him?
यार बहुत सारे लोग हैं एक्चुअली मतलब ऐसे देखा जाए तो फ्रैपे जब मैंने इंसिग्निया ज्वाइन किया तो फ्रैपे को देखा मैंने मतलब वो उस वक्त मिक्सटेप डाल रखा था उसने और उसकी मिक्सटेप में बहुत लोग थे मतलब फीचर्स थे ऑनकोर थे उसमें ऑनकोर फ्रॉम बॉम्बे
Okay, Encore, the other one.
तो
yeah.
okay the K
yeah. So I was like okay and encore ने भी उस वक्त एक 22-23 ट्रैक का एक
Wow.
मिक्सटेप डाल रखा था जिसमें काफी रिमिक्सेस भी थे दूसरे रैपर्स की बीट थी बट पुटिंग आउट अ मिक्सटेप
Yeah, that-
रिकॉर्डिंग
yeah,
इट
yeah,
राइटिंग
for
इट
sure.
फकिंग मिक्सिंग इट पुटिंग इट आउट लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन मतलब मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ
Yeah,
मेरे को तो लग रहा था कि मैं कर रहा हूँ गोरखपुर में और किसी ने करा ही नहीं है बट ये तो पूरी मशीनरी चालू हो रखी है तो काइंड ऑफ दैट बट या आई मीन Frappe making music, putting it out, selling CDs, printing CDs of selling CDs.
Sick, bro.
I remember him putting this post up where he bought a G-Shock for himself and he gifted his grandfather something of that
The
CD
sales,
money.
yeah.
तो the sales of तो देखो okay that's one कि अच्छा ये भी possible है. फिर देख रहा हूँ मैं Encore is doing this shit. Divine was dropping music under like the group Mumbai's finest and you know all that shit was happening. People were making music, bro. Sikandar was fucking dropping mixtapes like
Till
like
now, to be
nobody's
fair,
business.
even till now,
yeah,
he's
even
dropping
now,
mixtapes,
but
like,
उस वक्त भी मतलब वो ऐसा sovereign मेरे सामने आई थी like भाई बहुत म्यूजिक बन रहा है तो हालांकि Encore has been one person जो इसको मैं कहूँगा कि अगर कोई मेंटोर है मेरा सीन में तो वो Encore है बट वही है कि मतलब उसने इतने गाने डाल रखे थे और जो उसका कमांड था अभी भी है मतलब जो उसका वो राइटिंग द होल्ड दैट ही हैज ऑन लाइक वो एंड द वे ही हैज काइंड ऑफ ऑल्सो स्टना एंड सेज बिकॉज सेज के साथ आई हैव बीन वर्किंग सिंस लाइक व्हाट 2013
Says on be one of
one of
you,
one.
I don't even have to
One
say
of
it,
one,
bro.
bhai,
You guys,
one of
anyone
one.
watching
Everyone
knows.
knows it.
Yeah,
Everyone
everyone
knows.
knows. हाँ.
तो मतलब ऑल दीज पीपल वो कोर इंसिग्निया के जो 4-5 लोग हैं ऑनकोर स्टना सेज ये लोग को देख के लगता था कि हाँ भाई मतलब कुछ ये लोग भी कर रहे हैं साथ में ऐसा नहीं कुछ कर दिया लेकिन हाँ कर रहे हैं और मैं भी 12वीं में हूँ 11वीं-12वीं में हूँ तो मैं भी कर रहा हूँ फिगर आउट चीज़ें देन इवेंचुअली आई मीन ब्रदर वी वॉज द वन जिसको हमने देखा कि VH1 पे आ गया उसके आत्मा रामा क्या कहते हैं ऑन माई ओन एंड ऑल दैट शिट आई वाज लाइक ओके this is what we need to do. We need to go to a point where our music can come on TV. So that is one thing. उसको देख के मतलब वहीं से सबका ही चालू हुआ है फिर और वो इंग्लिश में है तो अपना हाइपर लोकल लैंग्वेज वाला सीन फाड़ने का बहुत बड़ा वो है कि अच्छा ये मेरा बॉम्बे जब फटा, लाइक फटा भी क्या, वो गाना फटा ही नहीं, लेकिन मतलब उस लेवल पे फटने का सीन नहीं था, लेकिन इट जस्ट बिकेम पॉपुलर, इट जस्ट बिकेम पॉपुलर एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ, आई मीन ये मेरा बॉम्बे एंड जमुना पार बोथ were like around the same time, and both were like कि okay, what Jamna Part did for the Delhi scene kind of, ये मेरा Bombay did for the Bombay scene, लेकिन even Raga bro, मतलब मेरे लिए तो ये है कि it's a good question what you asked, but मेरे लिए तो मेरे peers से हमेशा मतलब मैंने कुछ ना कुछ सीखा ही है, क्योंकि आसपास सबने कुछ ना कुछ ब्रेक थ्रू करा है, और I've been there seeing it कि okay how their breakthrough kind of changes the scene a little, देख वो हल्का सा shift जो हल्का shift होता है, फिर मैंने वो चीज जो तू पूछ रहा था ना कि in the earlier question कि मेरे उसमें, तो जब तुम उस पे हो तो तुमको इतना रियलाइज नहीं होता, बट देन अब मेरे को रियलाइज होता है 2 साल बाद कि मीन ने क्या शिफ्ट करा, या मेरे को मीन के वक्त रियलाइज हुआ था कि ओ सुनो ने क्या शिफ्ट करा, सुनो का इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है, तो वो सब सीन है, बट या आई मीन आई हैव looked up to people around me a lot, Brothervi, Encore, Raga, fucking Divine, also now सीधे मौत 100%, मतलब of course.
It must be so fucking sick to see कि उस time पे all you guys that were starting together, working together, and now the forerunners of the scene.
I mean
on the forefront, bro, like just.
It's a big deal. Yeah, भाई, it's a big deal, भाई. It's a big deal.
Yeah.
KRS-One ने एक चीज बोली थी कि ऐसा जो भी रेवोल्यूशन लाता है वो उसके फ्रूट्स बियर नहीं करता, उसका नेक्स्ट जनरेशन ही फ्रूट बियर करती है, तो ऑल्सो अब वो देख के मस्त लगता है कि अब वो पॉइंट आ गया है जहाँ पे गाय फ्रॉम एनी सिटी कैन यू नो गेट, मतलब और ये सब चीजें बातें ही है ना, मतलब मेरे को प्रथमेश फ्रॉम नागपुर, प्रथमेश केम टू माय प्लेस, वी वर रिकॉर्डिंग समथिंग, एंड उसने जब, अब वही है ना, कोई मेरे को बताएगा तब मेरे को समझ में आएगा ना, क्योंकि मैं तो काम कर रहा हूँ, तो उसने मेरे को बोला कि ब्रो मतलब हम लोग थे जब, तो हम कामयाबी सुना था मैंने, या जो भी ये सब उस वक्त कोई था ही नहीं सीन, कुछ था ही नहीं, तो मैंने कहा
तो था ही नहीं,
हाँ वही, और सबका वही चीज चल रहा है, सबका इट्स फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, फॉर ऑल दीज लाइक जो भी छोटे छोटे गुट बन रखे हैं, चाहे वो लक्ष्मी नगर के 4 लौंडे हो, या वो कहीं ईस्ट दिल्ली, ये वेस्ट दिल्ली के 4 लौंडे हो, या शालीमार बाग के 4 लौंडे हो, तो वो वही है ना, अब कोई ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि कोई गुड़गांव के लौंडे जाके राजौरी के 4 लौंडों के साथ रोज मिल रहे हैं, वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं सेंट्रलाइज अपने एरिया में, तभी हिप हॉप इज सो हुड ड्रिवन, लाइक वो जो कहते हैं उसको एरिया ड्रिवन, क्षेत्र, ये मेरे क्षेत्र को मैं ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ.
Now you see Noida, UP boys, you have Sector 71 boys.
Yeah, that's what. तो हाँ, अब वहां से एक कोई ब्रेकआउट करेगा, यहाँ से फरीदाबाद से एक कोई ब्रेकआउट करेगा, साउथ से एक कोई ब्रेकआउट करेगा, वो 3 लोग मिलके एक गाना बनाएंगे, वहां पे सब कुछ रिप्रेजेंट हो रहा है और सीन बन गया वहां. हाँ, वो इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ तुमको आसपास से ही चालू करना पड़ेगा. तो हम लोग के केस में ये था कि अब वो चीज, मतलब हम लोग के केस में ये था कि उतना है नहीं, हम लोग के केस में ये था कि अच्छा काम रहता है रोहिणी, मैं रहता हूँ गुड़गांव, ऑन को रहता है मालवी, ये क्या कहते हैं मयूर विहार,
तो might as well have it all.
तो अब कहीं एक जगह ही मिलना है हमें, बट अब वो धीरे धीरे ये बन गया है, और अब वो धीरे धीरे साउंड्स में भी दिख रहा है कि ओ 71 boys are from that area, they sound like this.
That's my favorite thing about like this area situation.
And that is also like how the scene has grown. Like that's the biggest growth factor कि अब वो दिल्ली साउंड में भी सब सेगमेंट्स आ गए हैं, बॉम्बे साउंड में भी सब सेगमेंट्स आ गए हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है, यू नो कि why does a Dhruv sound different from a Yangi, or why does a Encore sound different from a whoever Alpha, you know,
or
like,
why does Encore sound different from Encore there?
वो तो हाँ, फिर वो तो शहर का ही डिफरेंस हो गया,
बट माइक्रो लेवल पे देखो तो
दिल्ली में ही बहुत डिफरेंस है. Why does चार दीवारी make that music, because and वो तो खैर जो भी है, बट इट्स ऑल्सो लाइक वो एरियाज, ये अच्छा एरियाज, ये वो जो भी है, तो आई मीन और सब कोई अपना अपना साउंड लेके आ रहा है, सब कोई अपने अपने इन्फ्लुएंसेस लेके आ रहा है, और सब कोई लिरिक्स में भी वो लेके आ रहा है जो वो रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, एंड देन यू रियलाइज कि वो माइक्रो लेवल पे भी अगर तुम घुसो
Yeah.
तो भी उसमें भी देयर इज अ मैक्रो
Yeah, genuine.
कि अच्छा अगर भवी है
हाँ.
और लूसीफर है वो दोनों भी डिफरेंट है।
Yeah.
बास्की उनसे बहुत डिफरेंट है, वो सारे सेम ही उसके हैं।
Yeah. Well, I mean, kind of like on this point of yours, like Bristol and I have heard a lot of Sector 71 here and there, either when we're jamming together or even separately. And like even yesterday when I was listening, I heard Bhaskar के जो दो गाने हैं ना, एक ऑनको के साथ, एक काम के साथ, तेरे पापा and इशारों की जुबान. Like
Hard.
Like both videos, like I heard both songs back to back. I was on my laptop and like it's just the story is so raw, it's so real, like it's so cool to see, bro, like seeing. And like honestly, like one major thing that I love about Seedhe Maut is they've shown love to everyone. Like I don't think there's anyone who they feel is genuinely good at what they do that they, I mean from an outside perspective,
100%,
that they haven't like helped to
real recognize real, bro.
Yeah,
It's
bro,
just that,
genuine.
yeah.
Also all grown up together, like done this shit
Yeah,
together. So
yeah.
it's a whole different perspective also, I feel like.
एंड वही है ना, लाइक हम लोग अब उस पॉइंट पे इवेंचुअली, अगर तुम लोग कहते हो फ्रंट रनर्स, जो भी वो कॉन्सेप्ट है ऑफ द वर्ड, उसका पॉइंट वही है ना कि तुम आगे बढ़ो, तुम उतना एक ग्राउंड वर्क ले कर दो कि तुम्हारे पीछे वाला जो है तुम वो उससे फिर और आगे बढ़ा पाए। अभी फिर और नए लड़के आएंगे, आ रहे ही हैं ऑलरेडी, जो देख रहे हैं लूसीफर वगैरह को करते हुए जो वो कर रहे हैं, एंड नाउ दे आर टेकिंग दैट साउंड इन अ entirely different way.
If you look at now, there's a Pune sound also has been developed in the last year.
Yeah, of course.
Like, the
I mean,
entirety of
Pune में ही there is a Shreyas, who is also from Pune.
Yeah.
And then
that's a
there
whole
is
different sound also.
then there is a Stan, who is also from Pune.
Yeah.
तो वही है, and then there is this, I don't remember the name, but एक कुछ तो पुणे ट्रैप पर, लाइक वैसा ट्रैप वेव आर्टिस्ट भी है पुणे में, एक सेक्शन है जो ट्रैप करते हैं। I don't remember the name, but मैंने कहीं तो रेडिट पे देखा कि वो पुणे आर्टिस्ट हैं जो न्यू स्कूल वेव, मतलब वो कर रहे हैं एकदम ही न्यू स्कूल। उनका they are not like Stan is also new school, but he still like the lyricism is still their lyricism is थोड़ा सा elite from, they might be coming from a different background, like a more privileged background. But वही है कि अब that's what it is. अगर तुम privileged background से भी आते हो, चाहे तुम दिल्ली हो, चाहे तुम पुणे हो, चाहे तुम बॉम्बे हो, चाहे कहीं भी हो, अगर तुम आके उस चीज को ही बता रहे हो, and if you're real with it, then it's hip hop.
Yeah, for sure. Well, I think, like, of course, background matters a lot, and I think we've seen that in rap around the world. But I think that realness is the more important thing than where you come from, more than are you being real about where you're coming from.
That's true.
Yeah. I mean,
And I think we all began bullshitting our way into it because we were always trying to copy a certain sound because we were trying to, at least for me, from the people around us,
100%.
But
सब कोई वही कर रहा है ना.
वही बात है.
The sooner you understand that whatever you are doing with hip hop in India is derivative.
Yeah, true, very true.
कुछ हाँ तुम musically कुछ बहुत crazy कर सकते हो, कुछ different कर सकते हो, but
the sense, the soul of
हिप हॉप में बोल सबने सब कुछ दिया है ऑलरेडी। अब तुम्हारे ऊपर है कि लाइक आई एम फ्रॉम गोरखपुर, नाउ दैट स्टोरी ऑफ अ मिडिल क्लास बॉय फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल टाउन कमिंग टू a big city and making it has been told a lot of times. Like Cole is from Fayetteville. That's a small ass fucking town. He came to New York and he made it. That's done. And then there is also Kendrick who's from LA, Compton, the core of it. But he's probably not as privileged as a Cole was. But he is making it. So मेरा काइंड ऑफ वो ये है कि भाई मेरा पूरा नैरेटिव ही यही है कि मैं दिल्ली में इसलिए स्टैंड करता हूँ अभी अपने दो पैरों पे क्योंकि मेरे जैसा दिल्ली में कोई नहीं है। Why I'm saying that is क्योंकि कोई और ऐसा है ही नहीं जो इस पॉइंट पे एक छोटे शहर से, जब कुछ सीन ही नहीं था, जब वो जॉनर ही पता नहीं था लोगों को कि हिप हॉप एक्चुअली है क्या। इट वाज आइडियाज, सबके दिमाग में आइडियाज थे। किसी को लगता था हिप हॉप डांस है, किसी को लगता था हिप हॉप क्या रैप, ग्राफिटी है, कुछ भी मतलब वो है। लेकिन मेरा नैरेटिव वही है कि भाई मैं एंड दैट्स व्हाट इट्स रियल कि मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि गोरखपुर भी रिप्रेजेंट हो, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ दिल्ली भी रिप्रेजेंट हो, क्योंकि मैं अगर 16 साल की उम्र तक गोरखपुर रहा हूँ और गोरखपुर ने मेरे को एक कैरेक्टर दिया है।
हाँ,
तो उसके बाद 16 साल की उम्र से लेके मैं अभी क्या कहते हैं 16 साल की उम्र से नहीं, लेकिन हाँ 17 18 से लेके नाउ आई एम 29,
10 साल
कितने साल और हो गए, 12 साल हो गए वो दिल्ली में। तो आई एम एज दिल्ली एज इट गेट्स ऑल्सो, क्योंकि आई हैव ऑल्सो सीन दिल्ली काइंड ऑफ टेक इट्स ओन शेप after this hip hop thing came into place into the minds of people. And the best part is कि अब हम लोग connecting this back to the first question कि हम लोग जो गाने बना रहे थे या जो भी है वो सब तो था ही, लेकिन जब हम लोग स्पिट डोप करते थे तो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये था, प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं था मतलब इट जस्ट स्टेप्स, बट हम लोग का सबसे बड़ा फाइट ये था कि जितने भी लोग हम लोग को देखने आ रहे हैं स्पिट डोप पे, जितनी भी ऑडियंस है, उसमें से अगर 100 लोगों का टर्नआउट है तो उसमें से 85-90 लोग would be in some or the other way related to the scene. कोई या तो वीडियो वाला बंदा होगा, कोई प्रोड्यूसर होगा, कोई बैटल रैपर होगा, कोई या तो रैपर होगा, या तो कोई सिंगर होगा, या तो कोई बीट बॉक्सर होगा। हमें भी करना है। हमारा फाइट ये था कि भाई हमें ये सब तो ठीक है एंड इट्स ग्रेट, और लोग करो। इवेंचुअली जैसे जैसे ये बढ़ता रहेगा we'll start having an influx of audience who are there for nothing else, just to listen, be a part of the experience and go back home.
Consumers.
अब वो चीज भी हो गई है, धीरे धीरे आने लगी है, लोगों तक पहुंचने लगा है वो चीज। तो ओवरऑल मतलब it's a fun space and fun like you know time to be where you know that whatever music is being created from whoever, be it a Suffer from like Kolkata, or be it a Lucifer from Dwarka, or be it a whoever, Soham from Bombay, or now even the old like rappers who have been there are coming up with new styles, new music, like you know sounds, a rebranding. I love what Ikka Bhai is doing with his new music. I love how he is keeping everything so fresh. I love what Raga is doing with his new music, the way he has made a you know resurgence.
Raga Bhai
in
has
the
always
scene.
kept it fresh, at least you know.
Yeah, I mean the resurgence of like you know after like ये Rap Ka Mausam के बाद he was like he did put out music for that for a long time, and now he's back. And from whatever he's working on also, मतलब मैं तो सुन भी रखा और भी कुछ जो अभी तक बाहर नहीं जो भी है, लेकिन मतलब वही है कि वो सब भी आर्टिस्ट को भी समझ में आ रहा है कि हाँ भाई ऑडियंस नहीं है, गाने वो वही सुन रही है लेकिन ऑडियंस नहीं है, और दे आर टेकिंग इट गुड, बट वी आल्सो नीड टू काइंड ऑफ मेक द सेम म्यूजिक, मेक व्हाटएवर इज ट्रू टू आवरसेल्व्स, बट it's fun to package it in a way. It's a new challenge to package it in a way and just present it for the current times.
I also want to ask one thing. Now, since me and you released 2 projects with Ulte Seedhe Gaane and Graveyard Shift, na? I mean, like EPs sort of projects. But I think Mean was like your debut studio album type, like proper full length. Like, you know, of course, I've known you for a while, so I do remember that whole process, the rollout, the music videos, that type of stuff. Like, as a fan, as a listener, I've seen that project meant a lot for you. I feel like that was a huge version of you, like with a song like Rubaru, which were like, you know, your like a you know autobiography that you were writing, you know, and Honai Tha, which was like a congratulations type song, like you know. Also, by the way, Honai Tha is one of my like top 3-4 DHS tracks. So for you, like, what did the whole album mean? Like, what did Mean kind of mean for you? Like, what does it mean in your discography and for you as an artist? Like, I know it's been a while, but like, I think that was a very special album for you, if you want to kind of recall that.
I mean, मेरे लिए 2020 से वो था कि मेरे को सेज के साथ, क्योंकि सेज के साथ he is the first producer that I worked with. And my first original single was produced by Sez. First 3 original singles, 3 original singles. तो I was like, okay, first album needs to be Sez. Also, उस वक्त मैं मिक्सिंग वगैरह कर रहा था जो भी है, but I was like, the sound जो मेरे को निकाल के लेके आना है, वो मेरे को एक किसी प्रोड्यूसर के साथ ही करना पड़ेगा, और no better person to do it for my first project than Sez. Also considering the fact that the amount of you know impact he has had on the Delhi scene, like whatever it is, prior to like that, or around that 2020 time. तो वो था, and I have been making songs, demos to like make Sez listen to it and all that shit. Eventually, it just so happened, movement happened and all that happened.
How was
तो
the process of with Sez and all of this? Like, you know, how आपकी कैसी बनी थी Sez के साथ?
in like the beginning
नहीं,
of things,
while doing Mean
while
and
doing
all.
Mean.
Yeah.
I mean, I was with Sez, signed to Sez on movement,
yeah.
and I had this concept of, so Mean अब ऐसे simply बोला जाए तो मेरा sun sign
हाँ.
और मेरा moon sign both are Mean, like Pisces.
Okay, yeah, Pisces.
So I relate to the feelings, and also वही है ना कि गाने तो हैं, तुम उनको पैकेज किस नैरेटिव में कर रहे हो, कैसे कर रहे हो. तो फ्लो, गोइंग विद द फ्लो, जस्ट फ्लोइंग, लेटिंग थिंग्स गो, यू नो, अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट इमोशनली चार्ज, एज अ Piscean you are emotionally charged, you feel very deeply, but then there is the other side of it, like since you feel deeply, you go through a lot of things which a lot of people don't like go through necessarily, जो भी है. तो और ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बहुत like spiritually या ऐसे astrology के में इतना delve करता हूँ, but it's just something that I very hard relate to the traits of it.
Yeah.
So for me it was just कि मैं traits को कैसे एक metaphorical way में present कर सकता हूँ. It's just Mean, and water being my element, like
yeah.
okay, yeah, so that is there. तो उस चीज को पूरा lively, मतलब to make that come alive, basically to make that project come alive. I just told, I had a few songs, I told Sez, he was like, yeah, we'll do this project together. And I remember कुछ गाने जैसे टोटका और सनसनी और नास्कार, ये सब
With Yash Raj, ना?
बहुत यशराज वाला सवेरा.
Oh, okay, sorry.
तो या I mean ये सब गाने कुछ ना कुछ, जीना इसी का नाम, ये सब गाने कुछ ना कुछ थे जो मेरे पास पड़े हुए थे जो मेरे को करने हैं. एंड देन केम द मेन क्या कहते हैं, स्टोरी आर्क ट्रैक्स लाइक रूबरू. NASCAR was one story arc track which was पहले से preconceived कि हाँ ये होने वाला है, ये करना है. But we had to make this album. I had to drop my first album which says, and it all, both of that came together in this. वो standard कि okay, एक डेब्यू एल्बम, मैं अगर अपनी डेब्यू एल्बम की चीज को बोलूंगा तो वो कैसा होना चाहिए. लकीली उसमें मास अपील का भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, तो वो ब्रांड वैल्यू भी आ गई कि Sez प्रोड्यूस्ड मूवमेंट प्रोजेक्ट व्हिच इज मास अपील फॉर मी, फॉर एनीबॉडी. मतलब अगर तुम आज से 5 साल पुराने यंगी को जाके बोलोगे भाई तेरी डेब्यू एल्बम मास अपील पे आएगी, उसको Sez प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, उसमें रागा भी है, उसमें इक्का भाई भी है, उसमें और सीधे मौत भी है, उसमें यशराज भी है, और ऐसा सीन है, तो बोलेगा क्या बात कर रहा है ऐसा. तो ये कर दिया मैंने, ये क्या मैंने फ्यूचर में कर रखा है. तो वही है. तो लुकिंग बैक एट इट, इट्स ग्रेट. एंड व्हाई इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट इज बिकॉज जो भी अप अंटिल दैट पॉइंट 2023 में मैंने वो एल्बम डाली है, बट मैं रैप कर रहा हूँ 2009-10 से, पता ही है. तो जो भी मैंने सीखा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ लिरिक्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ सॉन्ग राइटिंग, अब गाने तो और बन ही रहे हैं, गाने तो तब से बन ही रहे हैं, और भी जो भी है, और साउंड्स और एक्सप्लोर हो चुकी हैं. बट दैट इज वन प्रोजेक्ट वेयर इट्स ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट कि उस पॉइंट पे यंगी क्या क्या कर सकता था. He did the best he could. Storytelling, he did it in Rubaru. Storytelling, he did it in imagery, he did it in NASCAR. Songwriting, composition, he did it in Savera और जीना इसी का नाम. And bangers wangers जो भी हैं वो सब तो है ही. But then he went the extra mile and dropped another EP with bangers only as Graveyard Shift.
Graveyard Shift.
You thought, what will Youngie do now since the commercial मतलब वो जो एक mainstream hip hop sound हो गया, where will he go next? I fucked around and dropped a USG, which is I don't know, even I don't know what genre that entire project is. But वही है कि वो USG तक पहुंचने के लिए मेरे को एटलीस्ट लोगों को इतना तो दिखाना पड़ेगा ना कि मैं लाइफ में इन 10 सालों में मैं क्या था क्या बना हूँ और मैं वहाँ पे कैसे हूँ. So that's why it's like it starts with the first thing that I say on that album is नाम यश चंद्रा पे दैट्स इन सच में गोरखपुर यूपी 53. That's where I'm from. फिर मैं दिल्ली आया. वैसे वो एल्बम चलती है. एंड जो उसका पूरा स्टोरी भी है वो वही है कि वो गोरखपुर का लड़का वो दिल्ली आया. लौंडा दिल्ली का मैं नहीं फिर भी दिल्ली पूरी जानती है, जिसमें 2 और लौंडे हैं जो भी दिल्ली के नहीं है. फ्रैपे एंड कामर बोथ नॉट फ्रॉम दिल्ली. तो वो एक वहां पे पॉइंट है. फिर ही कम्स ही फॉल्स इन लव विद द सिटी, ही फॉल्स इन लव इन द सिटी. देन he kind of gets to know his own self, his own anxieties, his own deepest fears and all that shit. The दिल्ली साम्राज्य में थी राजनीति, वो पॉलिटिकली भी समझ में आता है उसको. क्योंकि मेरे को भी नहीं पता था ब्रो, जब तक मैं क्योंकि मैं बड़ा दिल्ली में हुआ हूँ, मेरे को पॉलिटिकल सिनेरियोज एंड ऑल दैट शिट आई वाज वेरी अनअवेयर अबाउट a lot of things which I've gotten to know from the perspective of that you live in the capital. So you need to know a lot of things because उसके जो भी चीजें हो रही हैं उसका पहला रिपरकशंस वो सेंट्रली ही पड़ता है. तो वो सब चीजें एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. एंड देन एट द एंड होना ही था वेयर जो 2 सबसे क्विंटेसेंशियल दिल्ली के रैपर्स हैं, जो साउंड है वो, एंड इट्स अ मेटाफॉर ऑन वो लड़का जो दिल्ली का नहीं था उसको दिल्ली ने अपना लिया. और वहां पे तो पिक्चर चालू हुई है यंगस्टर कि अभी तक तुमको पता है, बस मीन में तुमको ये पता चला है कि यंगस्टर है कौन, वो आया कहां से और वो अभी कहां है. अब पिक्चर चालू होगी. अब तुमको वो म्यूजिक मिलेगा फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट ऑनवर्ड, जो मैं अपने आर्टिस्टिक एवोल्यूशन या आर्टिस्टिक वैल्यूज या फन करने के लिए जो मैं बना. क्योंकि मीन तो बहुत मतलब वही है 100 बात की एक बात, वो बहुत पर्सनल और बहुत ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जो स्टेज सेट करता है फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट हैज बीन देयर एंड एवरीथिंग दैट इज कमिंग अप. दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट थिंक कि उससे अच्छा डेब्यू एल्बम मैं कभी मतलब लाइक दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग दैट आई कुड हैव डन एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम.
Coming to the end of the section, the lobby section, which were a great bunch of games also. Do you want to talk about anything that's upcoming for you? Maybe any tours, shows, collaborations, projects, anything and all?
हाँ टूर वगैरह तो होगा, पहले प्रोजेक्ट डालूंगा. लाइक आई हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑन लाइक एवर सिंस आई left movement, I've been working ever since I joined Off the Wilderness. I've been working on like a lot of tracks. Like उस वक्त इतना कुछ वो नहीं था, direction नहीं था. I was like let's make tracks, let's stack up tracks. But now since like that was last year. इस साल के स्टार्टिंग से I've been वो जितने भी गाने 30-40 गाने बन रखे थे और भी गाने बन ही रहे, तो उन सबको फिर मैं शेड देना स्टार्ट करा कि okay what goes where and what is which sound basically. तो अभी currently I've been working on this album called Masterclass, which is
this the first time you're saying the name? Is this the first
No,
time
actually people know. मैंने हाल जॉर्डन में भी बोला मैंने. But actually this entire like this phase of rollout, So Be It was the first time I mentioned it on a track.
Masterclass,
and then Hal Jordan's the second song. So they kind of set the tone of Masterclass, and now Masterclass is there. But एक उसमें ये है गूगली कि Masterclass के पहले एक और प्रोजेक्ट है called Bragging Rights.
Okay, Bragging
So
Rights. Nice.
yeah, ये 2 गाने हैं, ये 2 albums हैं.
This solo project, yeah, you have collaborations also, no?
Both the albums have collaborations. Bragging Rights started off as conceptualized as an EP. I don't know, I might just drop part 1, part 2 as 4 songs, or I might just fuck around and drop it 8 songs, but it's an EP if I may say so. हालांकि 8 गाने हैं, लेकिन हाँ मतलब वो उस पर्सपेक्टिव से बनी है कि वो मास्टरक्लास के पहले आएगी. It's also me, like that same guy in होना ही था who came to Delhi, now made a name in Delhi. Bragging Rights starts off with me going back to Gorakhpur, and it has rappers from Gorakhpur as well.
Oh, wow.
It has rappers from other rappers from UP, some famous rappers from UP who you might know, might not know. जो भी है वो वाला sound भी है. But yeah, I mean it's all building towards Masterclass, and then after Masterclass there are a lot of sounds जो मैंने नहीं करा. Like there is this neo soul modern dance album
Okay.
which is there. Then there is another R&B pop rap project that I've been working on. So वो सब तो है ही, but हाँ मतलब वो बात की बात है. अभी पहले first and foremost it's Bragging Rights and Masterclass in the next year.
Next
so
year,
pretty
okay.
hyped about it.
All right. Any
hyped
shows?
about
Any cities people can expect to see you in?
I mean जब वो projects start होंगे डलने तो फिर तो हर जगह ही मतलब I'm trying to क्या we will make sure that we bring Bragging Rights and Masterclass to as many cities as possible and to make sure that for me ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को एक गाना फाड़ के मेरे को उसके बिना पे हर जगह वो करना है. I would much rather I'm at a point in my life where I'm like I would much rather take the songs and perform it just anywhere possible.
Yeah.
In any which way. But हाँ, Masterclass, the way I envision it, the first time or like the scale at which I need to perform Masterclass is very up there.
Yeah.
So that's why like after Masterclass, बनी Masterclass पहले है.
Okay.
But Masterclass जो बन गई है मेरे हिसाब से मेरे दिमाग में वो वही था कि and even discussing it with my back end team like Aranyaka and Aditya and everyone who was involved in the project, we all have come to a conclusion where we're like no, we cannot drop this project
Straight as it
and
is.
perform this in a club.
Yeah.
I need to be on like a huge like a big stage
Yeah.
to perform this. Need to have that kind of you know resource because वो Sonics ही ऐसे हैं कि वो एक छोटा स्टेज शायद जस्टिस ना कर पाए. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं परफॉर्म नहीं करूंगा, मैं जहाँ मिलेगा वहाँ परफॉर्म करूंगा, बट वही है कि वो लेवल उतना होना चाहिए. That's why we're kind of building up towards it with Bragging Rights and take it from there. So yeah, I mean a lot of fun collabs on both the projects. Masterclass तो has crazy collabs. Bragging Rights also has बहुत unorthodox. Some I think Bragging Rights वाले features तो तुमने कभी मतलब उन लोगों के साथ मैंने कभी कोलैबोरेट करा ही नहीं है किसी के साथ भी. मास्टर क्लास पे भी जिनके साथ कोलैबोरेट करा मैंने किसी के साथ कोलैब नहीं किया है, बस एक बंदा है उसमें जिसके साथ जो वो recurring
a Youngie X Alpha sort of feature का
we can make it right now and drop it tomorrow, man. Like that's we can make it tonight and drop it tomorrow. That's always
Done by. We're cutting this episode short now.
yeah. Now we are cutting it short. After like what 1.5 hours, we are cutting it short.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Bro. That was lovely having you on.
Yeah,
bro.
man. Same. Great conversations.
Yeah, man.
Much love.
Shout out to Not Out as well for being around.
Shout out to Not Out.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Love for that.
Thanks a lot.
I think it's time.
Yeah.
It's
Put
time.
you on the Katgara.
It's game time, man. It's game time.
बहुत हो गई बात.
Fuck you talking about?
It's actually called.
It's
game
literally
time.
called game time.
Yeah. So let's go on to game time.
Segway हो गया चलो. ये ऐसा साउंड करेगा तो I'm Batman.
तमीज से भाई.
गोगा जादूगर गोगा.
Crime Master Gogo.
Crime Master Gogo.
It's game time.
It's game time. should I should I give you the room?
No, brother. Why do you think you are a special guest today?
Do this shit.
The fuck, man.
Bye, welcome to crew. Welcome to crew. Are you
Okay.
ready? Are you ready
Yes, we're ready for the most competitive Beast Games. Nah.
Wait a second. Ribbon cutting कौन करेंगे? Youngie bhai.
for this?
Why are you scissoring me, bro?
Sorry. I couldn't stop myself. Please.
Yeah,
Please.
ladies do that. Woo, that's a lady.
That's me, bro. Nice. I like the
Someone
sound
is
of my
calling
own
me
voice.
out.
I hope you know that's
ये
me,
buzzer
bro.
को-
Don't get too
Don't
excited.
get too excited.
अच्छा बजर है.
Good है ना?
ये
मजा आ रहा
आपके
है.
लिए है भाई.
Okay. क्या ये बजर है?
हाँ.
या जो बोल रही है वो?
नहीं.
बोल रही नहीं है, बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
अबे आवाज तो ऐसी आ रही है. Let me think what I want to
Let him-
think.
let him-
You're on some lady boy shit, bro.
No, bro.
Such a. Okay.
I'm a boy.
Bangkok
I want some
boys.
lady shit. I want. Some
Moving
lady-
on from that very disturbing conversation.
The fuck was that?
Okay, welcome to the fucking game show.
Yeah.
Welcome to game time.
Game time.
This is the pre's, the pre-game,
Yeah.
the afters, the
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
What happens here is we're gonna do a little bit of a start with a little bit of a guess the album
What's the
section.
little bit?
थोड़ा सा ये shimmy
Yeah.
आ जाता है just
Yeah.
to like attract audiences.
A little fruity.
They're
I
both
bet you
fruity.
didn't know.
Yeah, my friends have been telling me I act so fruity every month. Okay, I'm gonna cut that shit out. Anyway, moving on. So the first one is guess the album art. We're gonna show you album artworks. You just have to tell us what the name of the album is.
कहाँ दिखेगा?
As well as the artist.
भाई
Show
दिखाएंगे.
laptop में दिखाएगा तू.
If you give us the name of the album, you get 3 points. If you give us the name of the artist, you get 2 points. If you give us both, you get 5 points. But whoever buzzes
Quick
first,
maths.
Yeah.
whoever buzzes first gets the opportunity to answer first, and then it gets passed on if you can't guess it. And I'll give you a timer of a 6, 5,
Okay.
4.
Cool.
और मैं cheating करूँगा because I want him to win. So you can suck your own.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Okay. If we could see album art number 1, please.
What's it called? Nirvana.
Okay.
What's it called?
2
It
points.
smells like Teen Spirit. Nirvana. Smells like Teen Spirit. No, it smells like Teen Spirit.
That's a song.
Yeah, that's the song. Okay, I don't know the album name.
Never mind.
Hell yeah,
Never
bro.
mind.
Hell yeah.
Never mind.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice, nice.
Yeah.
He got it. Okay,
You
so he
get 2
gets
points.
the 2
Yeah, I get
for
3 points.
Nirvana. He gets the 3 for Nevermind.
Fuck.
Let's go.
Could we see?
Never mind.
Could we see?
Bin window पे था जब you रो में yeah man.
Could we see album
क्या
art
था?
number 2, please?
DRV Nakshatra.
Okay, that's a fact.
Yeah,
that's a fact.
yeah,
That's a fact. Yeah. I like how you're dapping up your own opponent, bro.
We got it, bro. Bhai hai hai.
Okay, okay. Number 3, I think, is a little bit tricky. Could we see artwork number 3, please?
Oh, I don't know this.
Whew.
I don't know this.
Try to figure out from the pixelated letters at least the artist.
Is it Run the Jewels?
No, it's not.
Passes on to you.
Is it Lupe Fiasco?
Okay, I'll give you a little hint. This is not English.
Oh,
Non-Angrezi.
non-Angrezi?
G.
Hindi? DHH? I have no clue, man.
I don't think-
Okay.
Same.
Another hint. It's Punjabi.
No clue.
Okay, it's Punjabi MC.
Oh, okay.
The album.
Okay.
Okay, would not have guessed.
Punjabi MC the album.
Yeah, the album is the name of the album.
Yeah. But
Okay.
क्या कहते हैं?
Nah,
Yes,
the
I've
album
never
is called
seen
The
it.
Album.
The
I've
album.
heard the songs, but I have not. seen
That's
the
what.
artwork.
That's
Fair, I
what.
would
Okay,
not
lovely. Could we see album art number 4, please?
JID.
Why are you giving it? He's laughing behind the fucking laptop.
Oh,
okay,
wait,
you already
no,
answered
wait,
off.
wait,
No,
one
he
second.
already answered off. It passes on.
अरे
It's
यार
not
ये
Jin.
Dreamville Revenge of the Dreamers थी.
yeah.
Okay, nice. He's so nonchalant about it. He's like, अरे यार वो थी भाई तेरे को पता ही नहीं.
Damn, I thought it was the
No response.
DiCaprio one.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
no, DiCaprio. He's fully laughing right now.
उसमें तो
He's like, I
DiCaprio
saw
है.
Jin live. You're getting it wrong. Okay, could we see album art number 5?
Full
Please?
shade. अबे यार.
Kashmir. Kashmir's album, what's it called?
साले मार पड़ेगी.
Is it not Kashmir's album?
नहीं वो
No.
तो सही है.
हाँ.
What the fuck was the album name?
2 points for Kashmir.
एक second.
I'll take it. Karam.
Karam.
Okay. He took it. He just took it.
Damn, bro.
भाई बोल ही रहा था.
We're gonna
तू
see the
काउंटडाउन
points.
भी नहीं कर रहा है.
क्योंकि मैंने बोला चलो
हाँ,
ठीक है.
एक second तो होने दो.
हाँ, the thing up here somewhere. Okay, now we're coming to the lyrics section.
Okay.
Now the answers are just a straight up who said this.
Okay.
I think
Okay,
keep
it's not
your
complete the lyrics?
I got so complete the lyric. Actually, I'm not even doing this time.
ठीक है.
It's only who said and guess the song.
Guess the song.
Yeah.
Guess the lyric and get the
ठीक है
the song.
भाई.
Both.
भाई का ने. Okay,
Guess the
I'll
lyrics
tell
and
you.
guess the
I'll tell
song.
you when what
अच्छा, okay.
it is. We're gonna start with who said. So I'm gonna give you a lyric. You just have to tell me who said this lyric, artist name. You get 5 points flat.
Cool.
Flat 5 points. Okay.
Okay.
Question number 1. बेर या जो मिठे बेर
तेरी जो मिठे Actually, no.
बेर या जो मिठे बेर हुंदे जेड़ी बेरी थी.
Yeah, I know the song.
That's a Punjabi song.
Yeah. Punjabi MC?
Punjabi MC. Yeah.
I got it. Okay. Fight to that. Fight to that.
Yeah.
Clean. All right. Question number 2. Who said the following lyric? When I wake up, I recognize you're looking.
Kendrick.
You had
I
to,
recognize
right?
you looking
Yeah.
at me for the pay cut.
Yeah.
You had to. Oh, Musabi looking at you from the face now. Okay, cool.
My life.
Next question is a guess the song.
Okay.
We've
So
never
you-
had guessed the song before. on
Yeah,
the
this is
show.
the first time.
okay.
New introduction.
Okay.
Tell me what the name of the song is from the lyric.
Okay.
So bad at this.
Okay. Bhigi bhagi dhili dhali. Seedhi.
Ladke Conway. Is the name of the
That's
album.
fucking wrong. He said it so
मेरे को तो
confidently.
lyrics
also.
नहीं
What
पता
do you
lyrics ना
mean?
तो
भीगी भागी ढीली ढाली सीधी सादी देखा आधी वो तो पीछे भागी.
Oh, wait.
I'll if you don't get it in 5, I'll rap it for you. I
One
was
sec,
done.
one sec.
I have no clue.
3,
Oh, fuck.
2,
Okay.
1. Okay. भीगी भागी ढीली ढाली सीधी सादी देखा आधी वो तो पीछे भागी. निकलने वाली है तो सीधा शादी.
I have no clue.
Okay. It's I don't play no games, girl. That is just insane, girl. Sticky
that?
in my head, right? That is just insane, girl.
Who is this? Yes, right.
Like my girl with drip, drip, drip. Ah, rain girl. Adi rain girl.
Adevi.
Oh, yeah, I haven't. Yeah.
Okay,
fair,
cool.
fair.
This was like this also went like
yeah,
solid
yeah.
big a couple years ago. Okay. Question number 4. That body amazing on
That
that
Fendi Prada wore the Benny Hanna smoked the marijuana. Something about you got something brand new by
something that you got me
hit it harder. Auntie Perry Pona
trying to bag your daughter. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Roll up a
Brand
brand
over.
brag about self plug.
Yeah, self-love
that's-
as well. This is how we cheat the game.
Okay, next question. मैं रैपर
bad.
नहीं गैंगस्टर है.
अबे यार MC Stan.
Wait, what was the question?
Ghana.
Who said or name the song?
This was who's this was this is guess the song.
Guess the song.
Yeah.
अरे यार ये
मैं रैपर नहीं गैंगस्टर है. वो रैपर नहीं डांसर है.
हाँ हाँ.
We all know it.
साड़ी पार ना. नहीं साड़ी
साड़ी
पार
पार
नहीं.
से नहीं
दूसरा
है.
वाला गाना कौन सा है यार वो?
Can I say?
बोल दे.
Astaghfirullah.
नहीं. अरे यार वो है यार ये
Basti ka hasti.
बस्ती का हस्ती yes. Yes. Got it.
पता है मैंने भी यहाँ MC स्टाइल लिखा है मुझे खुद ही नहीं याद गाने का नाम कौन सा है. I forgot that I had to write the song. Okay, now we're down to the trivia section.
Oh
We're
my
gonna
God,
do
I'm sweating,
trivia
bro. I'm
questions, okay?
fucking sweating.
जो
bhai.
जीत रहा है sweating.
This is a mix of
Right,
Bhai,
DH.
you can win in one section. Literally, you can win in one section.
हाँ bro, if you just clean slate,
Clean,
clean
three,
sweep
three,
one
three
this
for
thing,
three, yeah.
bro 5
I'ma do
का है
that
bro,
shit,
crazy
yeah.
shit. 5 questions आपके पास सीधा 25 points आपके.
हाँ.
Alright, 5 points for each
Lock the
answer.
fuck in.
Trivia questions. Okay, question number 1. Which Baby Keem song features? Let me complete. Which Baby Keem song features Kendrick Lamar saying "Top of the Morning"?
Is it not Hillbilly?
अरे यार Family Ties.
Family time.
नहीं Range Brothers.
I mean, it is Range Brothers. But I guess he gets it then
He
because
got
he
it.
answered, but then it would pass on to you
I mean,
because he
fair,
got
I
it
also
wrong.
said the wrong option, so. it's
हाँ,
fine.
fair.
Yeah.
Okay.
हाँ,
Yeah,
yeah,
fair.
yeah,
Range
yeah,
Brothers.
yeah.
That's it. Question number 2.
दूसरे वाले गाने का नाम क्या था? Family Ties ना.
Family Ties, yeah, but Range
Yeah,
Brothers
Range
is
Brothers, yeah.
top of the morning.
Yeah,
top of the morning. Hold
top
on,
of the
let's
morning.
get this shit. Question 2. What was the name of Pradeep's debut album?
Classic. Yeah.
ऊपर अभी वो points का टिंग आएगा. So don't worry about the awkward silence when you give the right answer. There'll be
थोड़ा
cheers
background
going
music
on.
थोड़ा.
Confetti डाल देंगे please editor. Nandan Mike. Okay. Question number 3. What's the name of Char Diwali's debut EP?
तेरी मत के गाने.
That's what's up.
That's how you win a game in one round,
He
bro.
is gonna get that clean sweep, I bet. Question number 4. What was the first music festival in India to popularize electronic music?
Supersonic.
Oh, I was gonna say.
दोनों ने साथ में दबाया था
हाँ,
मुझे.
ठीक है. You were saying Supersonic. I was gonna say the Atsisa one. क्या कहते हैं? Magnetic fields, yeah.
What's the right answer?
I was gonna for Sunburn.
Oh, okay.
Oh, both are wrong.
ठीक है.
Magnetic came much later,
Okay, ठीक
and also I think Supersonic also came
much
after
later.
Sunburn was the first one.
Yeah, Sunburn was the first one.
Yeah. Okay, they're the ones who brought like all the electronic
Yeah.
acts
Yeah,
internationally. Question number 5. Name 2 artists that Carti has signed to Opium.
What's it called? One second.
Got this.
What? One second.
5, 4, 3,
Destroy Lonely and
2, 1. That's a clap. You done.
Ken
for.
Carson and Destroy Lonely.
You can't say Destroy
But he
Lonely.
said
You can
Destroy
say
Lonely.
Ken Carson.
ठीक है,
You can
Ken
say
Carson.
You can say another person.
हाँ
One
अरे
other.
यार उसका नाम क्या है यार मेरे को Ken Carson और Destroy Lonely पता है एक और वो है
एक है और
जो मैं
आ भी
देख
रहे
रहा
हैं।
था। हाँ आ भी रहे हैं वो मेरे को याद नहीं है
भाई बोल मत.
I know you know it.
अब तो बता ही दो मतलब
एक second.
तो तू बता अगर
Chalo, I'll give you 5 seconds and whoever gets the
Okay.
last one. 5, 4, 3,
मेरे को तो नहीं पता है मैं तो बोल ही रहा हूँ Destroy Lonely Ken Carson I know
Homicide Gang.
Homicide Gang का नाम ही है उसका या Homicide Gang is an
Homicide Gang
artist
is a duo.
Oh I did
That's
not know
separate.
that fact
Yeah,
I did not know.
I thought that
It's a duo, right?
Carti-
Not a trio. I think it's a duo,
I
right?
thought Carti, Ken Carson, Destroy Lonely and this other dude
OPM is that.
OPM is the
Oh,
label.
OPM is the collective yeah my bad
Collective,
yeah.
yeah.
OPM is the collective
I wouldn't have gotten.
Okay,
So last was no points.
last was no points.
Okay.
Or both get points. Oh, fucked up the
No,
paper.
we'll just do no points.
Yeah, same thing. That's what cuts off. Okay, now we're down to the rapid fire. Could you shift
Okay, so
a
हो
bit
गया all
forward
the
as well
points.
for the camera,
हो
please?
गया all the points.
All the pointed sections are done now,
Alright.
so whoever wins has already been decided.
Decided.
You see the
Okay, so
score
बस
somewhere up here. We don't fucking know.
yeah
Masti ka hasti hu main. Now we're gonna go over rapid fire. I have 2 sets of questions, 7 each. Who wants to answer the first set of questions? I'm just doing this so it's fair, so you guys like get to choose from it.
You have to go first.
Because some may be a bit more controversial, some may not be type shit.
Give him the controversy. He has
I don't even remember which part was more controversial. I think it's a mix of all.
कंट्रोवर्सी तो हो जाती है
पर ये तो हो
हो
जाती
जाती है ना
हम करते थोड़ी हैं हम तो अच्छे बच्चे हैं. Okay, first set to you. Who do you side with, Thug or Gunna?
Thug
Okay, why so?
Why so
Why so?
oh YSL yeah of course like
No, okay,
I mean Thug is out now so yeah I can side with him
तो निकल गया ना.
अब तो निकल गया
था तो उसका नहीं करता.
निकल
Free
गया
तक हो गया free.
Which rapper is running the new gen sound now? DHH.
I would say this motherfucker's like roots for a lot of people in Gurgaon, in Noida. But I would say Dhruv has given a lot of sound, जो अभी है already. And I would like to shout out Safar and Onik from Calcutta.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Sick,
Nice.
sick, sick.
दो
Shout out.
gangs, yeah.
Who's the most aesthetic over music artist in the scene? Prioritize. Who's the most aesthetic over music?
Aesthetic over music.
Yeah, like aesthetic is more of a priority than the music is.
I think Diwari, in terms of like how he treats aesthetics, is also he pays the same attention. I wouldn't say over music, but like the aesthetics are a big part.
Fair.
And, like he's changing a lot of the way aesthetics around the music video is perceived.
That's
And,
true.
like,
That's true.
yeah.
That's true. That's
But
fair.
anyone
Yeah,
for
nice.
गाने ठीक हैं but aesthetics काफी
तो
मस्त
बहुत
है.
लोग हैं यार.
अरे भाई ये क्या
बहुत लोग हैं.
आंसर?
फिर तो
तो
बहुत
नाम ही
लोग
ले लो
हैं.
फिर.
हाँ ये है रैपिड फायर ना.
हाँ मतलब ऐसे नहीं तो फिर रैपिड फायर मतलब फिर और मेरे को ऐसा नाम लेने पड़ेंगे ना फिर वो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी
अब real
फिर पूरी
problem
फिर मैं
rapid fire
गैंग
की नहीं
फिर
है.
मैं गैंग्स के साथ भसड़ नहीं करूंगा ना लेकिन नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं बट इट्स जस्ट दैट कि इन अ गुड वे आई वुड से एस्थेटिक्स अभी तक नहीं थे उतने हम लोग भी इतना फक नहीं देते लाइक हाँ भाई कैमरा खोलो हम लोग रैप करते हैं रैप कर बट नाउ दिवाली इज कमिंग अप एंड इवन यशराज फॉर दैट मैटर इज कमिंग अप विद दैट वो कि ओके द म्यूजिक इज गुड इट्स तो वो तो हो गया बट एस्थेटिक्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट लाइक इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट दैट्स व्हाट वी आर आल्सो लर्निंग सो या
Fair enough. Okay, sick. One rapper you think is next up, but no one's paying attention.
Gildial has been the next up for me since a long time. So go fucking listen to Gildial's music.
Do you think people are paying attention to him?
I mean, जितना उसको
Underrated,
जितने लोग
yeah, he's
underrated
हाँ.
underrated for sure. मतलब he's one of my favorites.
But I mean,
he's been one of my
Dune में
favorites.
तो he has a cult.
Yeah,
right?
but overall मतलब he's been one of my favorites. उसको
On a macro
shout
level,
out,
I
yeah,
guess
shout
he
out, shout
does
out.
deserve more attention. Fair
Yeah.
enough.
But और भी लोग हैं. There is वैसे shout out करने जाऊँ तो there is Astik from Gorakhpur. There's Arya. I mean, lot of people. Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
Off the dome. Yeah.
Off the dome. If your life was an album, what would you name it?
मीन थी अभी मास्टर क्लास आ रही है
Shout out.
या शाउट आउट
Shout out.
Shout out.
Plug. Top 3 producers in DHH.
ओके सेज आकाश आकाश श्रवण आकाश श्रवण
Akash.
Okay, okay.
और ही हैज नॉट पुट आउट अ लॉट ऑफ म्यूजिक एज प्रोड्यूसर बट मेरा मतलब वन ऑफ द Also, third में I would say not one person but like the entire sample shit वाला जो group है like on Discord, the Delhi boys and the eye patches and all that, because ये लोग का पूरा वो is very like it's a group and they are growing together, so that entire the wave that is coming up, Delhi boy, ये लोग premium, ये लोग काफी अच्छे हैं, so yeah, I mean that. But yeah, I mean says the undisputed.
Yeah, I don't think anybody can say anything against that, bro. Okay, I think that's the rapid fire for you. We got a couple of questions for Mr. World.
Okay.
अब करोगे controversy. अब मैं करूँगा controversy.
Alpha भैया, if you have any questions, you
controversy
can
करवाने
ask.
आए थे. मैं controversy करने के लिए बुलाया तुम्हें. जो गाने किसके पसंद है? Who is fucking किसके गाने टट्टी हैं but वीडियो अच्छी बनाता है वेल शो.
मैंने तो कोई controversial question नहीं पूछा. Alpha भाई ने लगा. Okay. Whose DMs would you slide into for a feature without shame?
DHH.
Yeah, sure.
ये पूछो ना मेरे से.
Choose your set of- choose your
I'll
set
give
of
an answer, but also I have very less shame in general when it comes to reaching out to artists. But
Yeah, when he reached out to me, he said, "Bro, I think your penis is really large, so I think we should make."
That's why you did it. Ego stroking or penis stroking.
Just straight up stroking, bro. Just physically stroking.
who I would shamelessly? Oh, I would for sure with Raga. Yeah, I would to enter his DM.
आज से DM चालू.
Rose. Hey, bro, any update?
Hey, bhai,
any
text.
update?
रागा भाई को आया कौन?
Okay. One rapper who's low-key copying another one's entire aesthetic.
Do I have to name who they're copying?
Yeah.
Actually, okay.
Both. Who?
हाँ मतलब कि
Both who's?
कोई जो किसी का पूरा सिस्टम कॉपी कर रहा है.
पूरा system copy कर रहा है.
Heavy system.
Uh,
I guess you can also do non-DHH because
yeah, I'm trying to think. यहाँ पे तो I mean people loosely are following. If I'm naming not Indian, you know 504 he copied fucking Pop Smoke's Light, right? Like after Pop Smoke passed away, he
tried.
He tried, but failed.
but
Right?
failed.
What a waste artist. Huh?
fair. Okay. Which rapper's fans are the most delusional?
Taylor Swift.
Yes. Nice. Nice.
Hot.
Nice.
Swifties के comments आएंगे. Rage baiters.
Rich
Rage baiters.
Okay. One artist whose pen you respect but personality you don't.
I'm just thinking now.
DHH.
Yeah, I'm thinking DSS. I'm like, okay. I won't say that I don't respect his personality. I just don't respect his personality as much as I respect his pen, and I'll say Pradeep. Okay.
Fair enough.
Fair.
Yeah,
Fair enough. Who's the most memeable rapper right now?
The answer is right there.
I feel like you have an answer in your mind.
Bala.
But then
the thing is,
he does
become-
humor rap.
Yeah, but he's also shifted into
like-
like
yeah,
serious
yeah.
music.
He started
also
with
shifted
But
into
right
serious
now
music.
he raps also, he makes music also, and he's big.
He's the
most memes are made from.
But I feel like
Bala's
that's his purpose also.
Yeah.
Like he's into comedy before he was
but
like he.
artists who are making music for
Yeah.
memes.
No, for
No, not
music,
for
but are memeable. So this is somebody who's actually trying to make music and is memeable. You know, it's a whole different story.
Oh, Nazi the Bap. हमारा भाई
Fair
okay,
enough.
बाबा.
I would say इक्का भाई.
इक्का.
Because gold है भाई. Gold है भाई.
Drunk
इक्का भाई
इक्का.
memes are gold.
Drunk इक्का भाई is too funny.
Fair. But मेरे को वो याद आता है वो. Was that freestyle? Oh, beat change.
The gold, the OG meme.
Got it,
The
got
OG
it.
meme.
One artist whose stage name actually goes hard. Don't say Alpha's World. Don't say Youngster.
I wasn't going to say as well.
Yeah, you have to say something outside of this room.
Alpha.
Alpha. Yeah.
It's Alpha. It's Beta. Sorry. Whose
Okay.
stage
I'm
name
thinking
actually
Beta.
goes hard.
Can I name 2, 3? I like Siddham's name. I like Hanuman Khan's name.
Fair.
I like okay, I know it's kind of corny, but I actually like Badshah's name. Like I like you know, of course, there's so much history with him now, but like in general, as a name, I think it's a dope name.
Fair. Nice. One mainstream hit you secretly love but would never admit on camera. gonna be
It's a love story. Baby, just say it.
No, take me somewhere we can be alone.
Hell no, bro.
Swifties, we got love
Yeah,
for
we
your
got you, we got
motherfuckers.
you.
We got you.
Just
You're delusional ass.
Crew was a partnership,
Yeah.
but there's a clause where I can get the fuck out. I think I'm getting the fuck out.
Yeah, yeah. We got you in a chokehold. Fuck you gonna do now?
Are you saying you want to choke him?
Sounds like a choked dog. Yeah.
No, but like that, that to you,
no,
he said it.
Ek
so,
second,
yeah.
I'm thinking.
Billy.
I won't go for Indian name. I'll say US, like Western.
हाँ चलेगा. Indian mainstream hit तो क्या ही बोलोगे?
वर्तमान आपको कर.
मैं अपने straight hard trap hip hop sets में किसे कहते हैं hip hop चलाता हूँ bro.
Can I say
Fire
one that
fucking
I was a fan of as a kid, which was kind of embarrassing. So I grew up in LA, so that California, no, not California, that what's that? Miley Cyrus song. LAX, in the car.
Party in the USA.
Yeah.
I was a little white kid back in my childhood.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah.
fair. You were there.
Yeah, I was literally
You were
partying in the
there,
USA.
Partying in USA, yeah.
Sorry भाई 8 साल का था भाई अच्छा लगा मुझे.
मैं जब 8 साल का था मैं तो अल्फाज वर्ल्ड सुनता था.
Oh हाँ तू है बस.
तभी तो मेरा म्यूजिक टेस्ट इतना गंदा है. Okay, that wraps up the show for today. We're gonna have the scores for you guys in like half a second.
Yeah.
Let's
Who won?
क्या हो?
Who won? It doesn't matter who won.
Every
We all
two.
won. We all winners.
we all here.
Fuck you talking about? It's hip hop.
Yeah,
Delhi.
He wouldn't have said this if he thought he was winning today. So that's all I'm gonna say.
दिल्ली.
ठीक है. मैं तो जीतने के लिए आता भी नहीं हूँ. मैं तो जीत चुका हूँ.
Oh.
Okay, he's got the marathon.
Damn. लिखो कोई भाई लिख.
लिखो भाई.
बस, अच्छी लाइन है, लिख लेता हूँ. चलो ठीक है.
चलो.
Gang, love, thank you.
बोल कुछ भाई.
मैं थोड़ा awkward कर रहा हूँ सबके लिए अभी थोड़ा silence देके.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Decision को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? घड़ी आ चुकी है. घड़ी आ चुकी है.
घड़ी होता है.
घड़ी.
नहीं वो क्या कहते हैं आपातकालीन स्थिति.
वो तो इमरजेंसी होती है.
दो द्वार आगे दो द्वार पीछे. Guys, the results are here. If you would like to give me your arms, the winner of this fucking show is Mr. Youngin. Mr. Youngin.
मेरी सिलेक्शन हो गई है.
He's good.
मेरी सिलेक्शन हो गई है.
Bhai on a 24 points. Bhai on a 31.
I'll be. That's my age in 2 years.
Hey, okay. That was my age 3 years ago.
That's gonna be my age in 2 years.
Family.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're almost around here.
Almost the same.
Yeah.
So since
Since
Youngie
I
bhai,
won.
you
Since
had
I
to
won.
Since he's won.
Because I told y'all motherfuckers.
But he did say he's already won.
I told y'all motherfuckers. I
He
mean.
didn't even have to worry about the point system. No caste system here. But since Mr. Arjun's world bhai has lost, he's gonna have to spin the wheel of death.
Yeah, we love that bhai.
Can somebody please bring it in? That's gonna be me.
I will spin it.
Yeah. I'll spin it and when I say stop, you stop it.
Cool.
ठीक है. Please come on this side. Right.
No, I will spin it and you stop where you stop and that's your luck.
Chalo, if you
Yeah.
wish for
Yeah.
that to be so.
Yeah.
यंगी
Yeah,
भैया
we-
बड़े
Because
हैं,
then,
तो-
because तू अपनी किस्मत अपने हाथ से लिख रहा है.
Wow.
समझ रहा है?
नहीं, but I can't look at it ना.
हाँ, but रोकेगा तो तू ही.
चलो.
ठीक है भाई.
समझ रहा है?
Yeah.
वैसे भी आपको दिख
That
रहा
should
है
get
तो
deep.
I don't think you get to
हाँ,
see
true.
what it says when it's spinning.
यंगी भाई ने
Even
बोला है
better
तो होगा.
कि- even
Okay.
Yeah, नहीं
Stand
दिखेगा
on
थोड़ी
side.
तो I think it should be fine.
So you can face the thing. Okay.
Okay. I think you can spin it now.
I can.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Oh. This shit fell off.
Production.
Back up.
Oh. गिरी गया.
9th episode पे पहली बार हो रहा है पता है?
Oh, ऐसा.
चलो, now you spin it, I'll stop it.
Come on.
हाँ, now I
Yeah,
can- now I can
type
do that.
shit.
चलो.
Type shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
चलो
Alright.
guys. आजो.
Watch how my hands. Oh, now your hands are on my waist. Okay.
Can hold
Watch
it
how
magic.
my hands
Do the magic.
do. Yeah, do the magic. No. My hands write his luck.
Okay.
एक लेखक.
Snippet
Snippet of unreleased song.
Okay, I can do that. I can do that. Finally, the
Let's
only
go.
time someone's gonna hear my unreleased
Let's
music.
go.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you bring a serious artist on the show.
बिल्कुल भी नो
मैं
मस्ती
भी हूँ guys, no मस्ती।
only advice
ओनली फकिंग क्या कहते हैं उसको
बोल
कुछ
भाई
तो कहते हैं।
भाई बोल भाई
Logic, भाई,
दिल से बोल
logic.
भाई
Young Sinatra 4.
I'm boring as fuck. Motherfuckers, I only talk business.
Thank you so much Yangi bhai for coming on today's episode. Genuinely a pleasure. Always
Put a
good to meet
snippet.
up with the OGs.
Musty time, bro. Musty shit.
Thank you guys so much for watching episode. अरे भाई डालेंगे वीडियो में वीडियो में
Reaction भी ले देंगे साथ में डाल देंगे हम अपना
This is now
गाड़ी में सुनते हुए reaction लेते
हाँ
हैं
ठीक है works.
अलग वीडियो
Not out पीते हुए
Okay, let's go. This is episode 9 of Crew Series. The next episode that we have for you guys is a very, very special episode, the information of which you guys will see very soon. We're very excited to finish this season. Thank you guys so much for the support that you have shown, and we can't wait for this to come together.
Wait a minute चलो
Love you guys.
Thank you.
Watch this show called Crew.
Thank you.
Why you think they'll talk like that? Get them hard like that. All this rap when you not like that. Why you talk to the cop like that? Fuck them all right back. Just stop, quit playing the part in the heart of the no goods. Got a show girl, got a 4 foot, silly made of oak wood. Used to live around the corner from Oakwood. Sit around for a while, cause it's broker. No cap, I'm in love with the angel last. Wanna deal with the major, souls are rats. Pass the mic back to me and I'll hold the best. Had a lot of cheap wine, old cigarettes. Full swing for the drama, 6'4" Chevy Impala. Pay for the souls down in Gaza. Hate in your heart, don't bother. Love when the fame don't alter. Look after you. Why you think they'll talk like that? Get them hard like that. All this rap when you not like that. Why you talk to the cop like that? Fuck them all right back. Just stop, quit playing the part in the heart of the no goods. Got a show girl, got a 4 foot, silly made of Oakwood. Used to live around the corner from Oakwood. Sit around for a while, cause it's good. No two of a kind, I feel in my mind. Pause on the mission, y'all press and rewind. Growth is a thief, it's taking its time. The lessons repeat, the first is a dime. No gifts from Santa, baby. A lot of y'all cheat, can't stand the payment. Boom back down, who the man that made me. Most of these verses are standard lately.
बस वही है unreleased. Oh boy, let's go. हाँ किसी की बीट होगी भाई थोड़ी रिएक्शन में कैसा लगा hard
Hard.
ठीक है भाई
Song, man. Good fucking shit.